Good morning, everybody. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. 240, I see you in the building, guys. I was out yesterday, man. My back, I was in back pain. I had to go to had the chiropractor, and you know, they basically told me to stay off my back. You know, stay out of the chair, and you know, to give my back a little bit of relief. I mean, and yes, I was out. I was in excruciating pain not last night, but yesterday, and I mean, I couldn't even sit up. I could barely walk yesterday, guys. My back was it was so tensed up, and I had a strain in my back, man. So I do apologize for being out. But we are back, man. We back. I got a little cushion on my chair now for my back, so I can try to release as much stress as I can. But so far, guys, I mean, we did run up. We did have that pullback. As I told you guys, between Wednesday, Thursday, we was going to have some type of pullback coming because we had a 3-day run. Well, pretty much like a 4-day run. Because we had, Monday through yesterday, 4 green days, and wound up getting that pullback. So keep it on watch to see on how we setting up going into next week. So we know from Thursday to Friday we had to pull back from 749.50 all the way down towards that 738. So pretty much we went on almost like a $11 pullback. So we had an $11 pullback so far that took place. Right now the little range that I do have set up, guys. I do have the bottoms. We look at this setup, range setup. We do have this bottom right around 738 bottoms. We have the mid areas look like we should be around, I want to say 743.91 up to the tops right around 749.53. So it look like we're in the bottom portion of that range, trying to rotate our way back on up after that pullback. So it look like we're slowly rotating up. So it look like we're setting up for a little bull flag pattern that's setting up right now at this moment after this pullback down towards that 738. So it came down to my lows. So it look like we're trying to rotate our way up. We got that mid area right around 743.91, right where that 200-day moving average is sitting at. So it looked like it may be trying to set up for a two-legged pull up. So we're gonna see. We're gonna bounce off of that previous 52-week high. What was that at? Let me see. That looked like it was around. Let me move this one out the way. Let me take this price point off. Take that one off. Yep, so right around, 740.92, trying to go for a little possible bull flag pattern setup. If we do go for that strong push, look for that possible push back up towards that, I want to say around 743.91. I say that's about the like the next area they're going to try to aim back up is around 743.91 up to 744 if you want to round it off. 240, what's up, boss? What's up? Yeah, man, yesterday I was in excruciating pain. Like, oh, man, like I said, I could barely walk. I just had to, and then they gave me a medication and everything, some pain medicine, so it was, oh, my God. Like, I was in pain. I was definitely in pain. Yeah, guys, I do apologize for being out. I am here. I am in the building, guys. I'm here. Let's see what we got. $240. What we looking at, boss? What we got? What you got for today? Yeah, my pain. I mean, I still feel a little bit of pain in my back, but like I said, I got a cushion behind my back right now, so hopefully that works out. But yeah, that man. That was painful. Painful. So let me see what pattern we could be forming on the 1 hour time frame. Let me take a look at that real quick. How we looking? Alright. Trying to go for that leg up. Let's see where we go. They're gonna get that breakthrough that 742 up to that 744 level. Let's see where we going. So far, almost looks like a little inverted cup, but we're gonna see. It's like almost like a little inverted cup down there. Looks like the handle could be right up towards that 744 level. We'll see where we go from here. This is our first pullback after this bullish week we just had. So that's our first pullback. We're gonna see how strong that pullback is gonna be. I know we didn't fall all the way back down to the 200-day moving average yet, and we haven't fell back down to these lows yet. Okay, I see it. I see what it's doing. What it could be possibly doing. I see it. So yeah, it look like we're gonna get a possible run up back up towards that. I'm gonna put up towards 7. I'll put that price point up towards that old 52-week high. I need to change that to previous 52-week high. So it's like 91, 739, 77, 391. Towards the upside. Alright, let me change that out because it's going to be previous 52-week high. It's no longer new. Change that to previous. Oop. Alright, cool. Alright, so look like, guys, we rotating in this bottom portion of that range from that 738 up towards that, again, if you want to round it, 744. So look like we're going forward. Look like we're pushing up towards this area here, guys. So look like we may have room to push up towards 744. Keep that on watch. If you are on the long side, look for that possible 744-ish push. It's right there where that 200-day moving average is sitting at. Right there. So look like we're rotating our way back up, guys. Like right here. So keep everything on watch. Everything on watch right now. Look like we're getting a little bounce back to the upside. Because it look like I said, it look like it could be setting up for an inverted cup coming. I mean, you know, once we get this push back up. So I'm just trying to narrate. I'm trying to figure out what this, you know, how high we're gonna push. But I know for sure like 744, like up towards this 744-ish area, maybe 744.50. We'll see, because we got those tops all the way back up towards 749. But we're gonna see if we're gonna break out of this little. Take this box off. Take that off. All right. So this is like the range that the channel that we're in right now, guys. This is our big channel so far. From these bottoms, 738, mid area is about 743.91 up towards that 749.53. But it looked like you want to make an inverted cup. Like right here from these bottoms, it looked like you want to set up an inverted cup coming soon. Possibly going into next week. That's what it looked like it want to do. So we take these bottoms, it looked like an inverted cup that could be setting up in due time. So that means you have to come back underneath that 744-ish area, then back down this way to these bottoms to take out these bottoms here and here. So I'm gonna have to let me see something. Let me see. Cause that was a little range right here, like a little mini range. So it looked like they bought up. I'm trying to put the little demand zone where the demand zone is at right now. So these bottoms here. Which one is that one? Wait, why I got two of them? Oh, there we go. Alright, there we go. So the demand zone, bought back on up. Yep. So that's the demand zone. Supply zone will be up to the top. So I'm trying to hurry map this out as we go into next week on how we can properly prepare ourselves for next week. Nice. take a closer look now. So right in this mid area of that channel. All right, let me see. So we're trying to push up to the mid area for sure. Coming off this demand zone, pushing our way up, pushing up to like that mid area that we in right now. So just definitely keep that on watch right now. Keep it on watch. Trying to see what this bad boy trying to do. Just trying to figure out what contracts I can use. I know today Friday. I mean, I could use the same day contract like scalp wise. So I'm just trying to look at it from both standpoints to see these bottoms. Came down the hill. Trying to see what's going on here. So what we'll need to get back on top of if I'm gonna go for this play here. All right, guys. So anything else? Anything else we need to look at so far? Let me make sure my oh man, why is my thing not working on my? Hold on, let me do a test run. Hold on, Nadia and Neil. Let me see. Why is my thing not popping up? Why is my YouTube not popping up? Hold on, let me see something, guys, cause I see y'all text. Why did not my YouTube? Yeah, my YouTube like my whatchamacallit came up. Why is my YouTube not popping up though? Let me retry it. Let me restart it. Let me try it again, guys. Let me see if it works. That's crazy that it's not popping up. Weird. Alright, let me do another test. Why is my YouTube chat box not popping up? That's weird. Let me test it on this one. Something's not right. Why is my chat box not popping up all of a sudden? That's why I can't see y'all. No wonder. Let me try to start it. Let me close this one out and let me bring it back up and try it again. Cause I can't. Y'all, the message is not popping up. And Nadia, I do apologize. Nadia, Taylor, Jenna, Queens, I do apologize. Let me. I'm trying to get it to fit. I'm trying to get it to work. I was trying to figure out why it wasn't popping up. See, it's still not coming up. I'm just type test. What the hell? Why is my thing not popping up though? Let me try to. I'm trying to figure out what. Let me turn off. Let me take off the Chrome. Yeah, hold on, Nadia. Let me right now watch for a spy. I see your messages on my YouTube. Watch for the possible pushback up towards that 744. Let me try. I'm trying to restart this real quick. Hold on. Let me fix this real quick. Hold on. Yeah, guys. Let me try to put everything back up. Yeah, something is acting. Yeah, something is weird. Why it's not showing up. Hold on. Yeah, cause I can't see y'all. Cause the thing not popping up on my let me see what's going on. It's weird that it's not popping up on my chat box. Alright, let me try it again. There we go. Got it. Got it. I got it. Remember, I reset my Twitch. Now we working. I got it now. Now we cooking. Get my chat box for Twitch back up now. No wonder why I couldn't see nobody, man. That's crazy. It's just stopped working. I knew something was going on. right, let me double check to make sure that the Twitch is working too. Let me check. Let me test. Let me test. All right, we good, guys. We good as far as the chat box. All right, we're good as far as the chat box. We got it back and running. I do apologize about that. I apologize. Sorry about that. Sorry. All right, Nadia, Taylor, Jenna, y'all can reach out to me now. It should be working. On the chat box. I got it fixed. So I'm gonna do another test run just to make sure the YouTube is working. Let me just double check. Let me make sure. Yeah, all right, we got it working. I think once I cleared out my my little whatchamacallit, my browser and all that, I think it took it off. Yeah, I think it cleared everything, so that's why it wasn't working. All right, 240. Yeah, everybody, we good to go as far as the chat box. We good to go. My apologies. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. My apologies. Yeah, so it's working now. Now it's working. It's working. We should be good to go. All right. Let me make sure I didn't miss any chat. Anybody ask me anything besides Nadia? No, Nadia asked me. Let me see. Taylor, let me see. Yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah. Taylor said sorry about the aches and pain. Yeah, I mean, I woke up in excruciating pain. I do apologize. Jenna, I know she asked about Google. I'm gonna check that out too. Which one you looking at, Jenna? As far as Google, OOGL or OOG? Remember, it's 2 classes in Google. Which one you looking at, Queen? Which one you taking a look at? Let me know which one. Yeah, my back. I'm still in pain. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm sitting up right now. I got a pad right behind my back. Man, y'all don't realize how much pain I was in yesterday. Oh my God. Like, my mom came over, Queen came over, you know, they was telling me, nope, don't you dare go live, go relax yourself, because they saw it in my face. They can see how much pain I was in yesterday. They saw it. They had to literally fuss at me to tell me to get off the computer. They was fussing at me. They was like, don't you dare even do it. Go get some rest. Let me see. I know right now we ran up. Let me see where we at right now. Came back down towards that 740.92 on SPY. We got the video on the downtrend still, so that's still coasting to the downside. Meta's trying to bounce back up for sure. I mean, the video is definitely on the downtrend, guys. I mean, you can clearly see that the video is definitely coasting on the downside. So that hasn't picked back up yet. So that's still downtrending. So no go on that one. I'm trying to see where I can put it at. Set this dang downtrend setup at down towards where 225, almost 225 level. So that's still looking weak. I'm trying to see which way I want to go on this. I might go for one position for right now, a little small position. I'm gonna see, where is it at? Let me see this price point. Well, what time we got? 5 minutes? Shit. I have to wait 5 minutes on this crap. 5 minutes I gotta wait. Ah, it's already moving though. I gotta wait 5 minutes. Let me see. I'm gonna see how this is about to set up real quick. Let me see. Would have been a good little scalp too just now. Would have had a good scalp on that one. Helped on bottoms, well on the put side, the bottoms held. I saw it. Kind of got like a little cheat sheet on the put side. Kind of created me like a little cheat sheet to help. So I'm just trying to see. So let's see. All right. What was that 92? That was a previous, right? Previous high? Yep, previous 52 week high. Yep. And what was the other areas? 41. Alright, cool. Let me see what this bad boy gonna do. So Gotta squeeze back up to the upside. Trying to slowly see what this gonna do right here. Cause I'm using today's, I'm possibly using today's contract, guys. So let me see where we go. I'm trying to see how this is setting up. I'm gonna stay above that price point or below. I need to put previous 52 week high side on my short side. Previous 52 week high, so I'll know that level. Gonna be an important level on that note. Yep. Short on my end to the right. There we go. And where's that next one? 38. All right, cool. Come on. Man, I gotta wait for the next candle. Well, as long as it holds, I mean, I can use it. Let's see what this third candle gonna do. So I got about 2 minutes on my candle. I'm just trying to wait on something real quick. I'm just trying to wait something out. Watching this third candle, or candle number 3 to form. Trying to see what I can do off of it real quick. Watching that 740.92, 740.92ish area. Watching that. See that's trying to hold on the long side real quick. I can see that. I was trying to figure something out. That's holding, so don't go yet. Let me see what's gonna happen. If we're gonna fall back underneath it. Let's see. And what was the other levels I had? 3808. And what was it? See, right now you're back on top of that old previous 52-week high. You're on top of that one. Let me see. It's all previous 52-week highs. Right back underneath. All right, let me see. I'm just trying to figure something out real quick. Trying to figure something out. Let me see what's gonna happen. I might have to go with a small position though, just to make sure everything's gonna go according to plan. Let me see. I might have to pick a smaller position real quick. What could back underneath on the put side. Back underneath that 740.92 on the put side. So I can't. We haven't broken. We haven't cracked that level yet. I'm watching it up. It's looking like buys are holding. All right, buys are holding. Buys are holding so far on that one. I was getting ready to get geared up too. I was gearing up for it. I'm gonna keep it on watch though. Definitely keep it in on watch. Nope, that's holding. So I can't. Nah. So Long's got it. Long's got it. I was watching it on the put standpoint. Let me see. I'm trying to see. I'm watching it on the put side. Now, starting to pull back on it. Never mind. I was just about to say that's gonna create a big bat trap. A bull trap, but nah. They bounce back up. Never mind. They bounce back up. Had to mess up a whole game plan on that one. Damn, they couldn't hold. The shorts couldn't hold. They could still be making a. It's a possibility they can still try to make like a. I ain't gonna say nothing because I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil it right now. I see what it's doing, but I'm gonna see. Primo, what's up, boss? Good morning. Why is my chat boxes going like late? Guys, I'm sorry. It's like my thing keep delaying. That's why I'm getting y'all messages late. All right, let me go to Google. I'm sorry, Jenna. I'm gonna go to Google Queen. I'm sorry. My chat box is going in late. All right, GGOG. I do apologize. I wonder why it's not popping up. All right. Good morning, Primo. Good morning, boss. Good morning. Microsoft. Meta look like it's still building up. Meta look like Meta's holding. SPY's trying to hold right here, guys. You can see this little uptrend trying to build. Back on top of that, 740.92. Key level up, I have 743.91 to 744. So it could be making like a little uptrend on SPY. And Jenna, what's your game plan for Google, Queen? Got to keep in mind, you're underneath that 400 level. Look like it could be trying to set up for a bull flag pattern, though. Look like it could be setting up for a bull flag pattern if you get that break above 400. Let me see. It looks like they're trying to create like an uptrend real quick on SPY. Look like a possible uptrend could be building on that one. Call, okay. What's your price point? Were you trying to get in at, or are you in already? Are you in already, or are you waiting to get in? Because we got to get this break right here. We got to get this break above this little area to go for that next leg up. We got to get that breakout. We went as high as, let me see. Let me take a look at it real quick, Queen. We went as high as, what was that little level at right here? That was 399.52. So that's on how high we went today. That was the high day for the day. We need to get a break above that price point. And then keep in mind you got 400. So you got two levels you need to break above on the upside, Jenna. So you got that 399.52, and then 50 cents up from that is going to be that 400. So you got to get above these two specific levels first. You got to get above those levels first to get that push or continuation to the upside. So you got to break above those two key levels first, because you already know 400 is going to be a natural number. You know this. I see that possible bull flag pattern that could be setting up on that put. I see a bull flag pattern. I'm not trying to ruin anything. I mean, I'm just want to keep my mouth shut. Oh, what am I doing? I got a cheat sheet. Okay, so let me show y'all what I'm doing. So my cheat sheet. So what I'm doing is I'm watching the put side and the call side on both SPY. So I got a cheat sheet at the bottom for my SPY. For my puts. Let me go to it real quick. Oh, come on, chart. I hate when this thing does this. Crying out loud. I hate when this thing does this. It's so freaking annoying. Come on. God dog it. It's like it moves so slow. See, it's still uploading. That's why it's doing that. It's still loading. I'm trying to load it. Oh my God, I'm about to get pissed off if this thing don't stop doing this. Alright, so now y'all can see it. Show y'all what I'm doing. How I created a cheat sheet for myself. So I'm watching puts and I'm watching calls. See, puts look like it has a bull flag pattern. SPY look like calls look like it could be having a bear flag pattern. So I'm trying to cheat. So I got a little cheat sheet. Got a little cheat sheet. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't you dare judge me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. So I created a little cheat sheet. I did. So watching the C, I'm watching that little key area. I'm watching is like that 740.92. So it looked like a bull flag pattern set up on the puts, possibly. So I'm trying to see, cause I'm trying to see something real quick. If this little cheat sheet gonna work. I mean, it looked like a little bull flag pattern on the put side, while it looked like a possible bear flag pattern on the call side. That's what I'm trying to see real quick. That's why I'm watching this key area. Like I said, 740.92. That's why I said 740.92 is key. That's what I'm watching to see. And I'm also going to show y'all guys, it looked like we possibly could be setting up for a big inverted cup coming in next week. You know, from these bottoms, what was this, Wednesday or Tuesday? So Tuesday's bottoms, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, look like we got a huge inverted cup setting up and then going into next week. So we're gonna definitely take this pattern into next week for sure. I mean, we're definitely gonna keep this. We're gonna keep the tops 749.53 and then down to the 743.91, because it does look like it's creating a big inverted cup and handle going into next week, possibly. Like a huge inverted cup could be setting up for next week. So yeah, I created a cheat sheet. Don't judge me though. Good morning, my beautiful queen. I got a pad behind my back right now. I still feel pain. Cause yesterday it was horrible. Yesterday was horrible. Like, queen, I was damn near crying. That's how bad it was. Like, I could barely walk. I couldn't even sit up in my chair. Like, that's how much pain I was in. They gave me some pain medicine. I had went through the chiropractor, and Queen came over, massaged my back. But yeah, I was in pain. I was in pain. Queen, I couldn't. It was excruciating. I couldn't take it. Like, I was in horrible, horrible pain. Like, it was bad. It was bad. I could not take it. I see that bull flag pattern setting up on that put. I do see it. I'm telling you. I see a bull flag pattern setting up on the put side. I'm looking right at it. I created a cheat sheet. So, oh, queen. Oh, ladies. Wait. After this setup, I'm gonna show y'all something. We worked on something for the ladies. I got something for y'all. Thank you so much, queen. There we go. Yep, there it is. Bull flag pattern. I seen it. Bull flag pattern on the puts. I saw it. That's why I created a cheat sheet. That bad boy worked too. It worked. So that little cheat sheet worked like a charm. Yep, because I see a bull flag pattern on the put side. I saw that. Right at that crack for that 740.92. 740.92. Got 3 minutes to this count to close out. Let me see what's gonna happen. 7.3. So what's gonna be after that? It's gonna be that 7.38. So let's see. I should have jumped in on that candle. I knew I should have just jumped in on it. I didn't know if we was gonna close or not. I mean, I didn't know if it was gonna crack, stay below that 740.92, or it was gonna hold, but it wound up cracking. Shit, I should have used that one. Should have just took a little small risk on it. I'll just wait for the next candle. I'll wait for the next candle. I'll wait for the next one come in. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let me see. That's why I made a cheat sheet on SPY. I made a cheat sheet to see the difference between the two. It worked. That little cheat sheet worked. It worked out to put me on to make sure I was on the right side of things. That worked out perfect. That worked out perfectly. That was crazy. 2 minutes though. 2 minutes. I'm still watching that 740.92 to see if it's gonna hold or crack. I'm watching that carefully. I'm watching that price point. Very, very carefully. 740.92 on SPY. 740.92 on SPY. Jenna, like I said, you got two areas on the upside for your Google queen. Let me that'd be at what 52 and 400 to be that on the. I got left on this candle. Let me hurry and try to get myself set up just to see. I'm gonna take a little small risk soon. Let me see what's gonna happen right here, this little area. I'm gonna take a small risk. We'll see. Damn it, right underneath the dot. I missed that. Let me see, because I see it fell right back underneath. Let me see what it's gonna do. Right towards the damn close too. It might like it's gonna gap up on it. Looks like it might gap right on top of it. Bam. It did gap up on. All right, cool. Let me see how this gonna work out. I could go for a quick scalp on that. See if it's gonna grab my position. Oh, I didn't grab it. You dirty mother. Come on. I'm gonna have to go snakeskin Randy. Bump it. Why didn't grab my orders? What the hell? Wait, what? Why didn't I grab my orders? Oh man, these bots not letting me in on this damn thing. On this contract. Oh, come on. Seriously? Alright, we putting it back anyway. Let me see. On the put side. I'm talking about put side. Oh, come on. I'm trying to see what SPY doing. It's not letting why is it not killing my orders? Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch my contract to get the cheaper one because I see what I'm gonna have to do. Yeah, I'm gonna get a cheaper contract just so I can have enough to cover my alright, let me do this. Man, these buys, they started ramping up on it. God dang. Man, they're not letting me. Oh my God, what the heck? Oh my God, let me see, bro. I'm gonna have to catch this. They forcing me up. I can't get in on it. This is crazy. That cheat sheet worked though. It worked perfectly. Alright. What got left? 57? Because I wanted the bottom on that candle, man. They wouldn't let me in. God dang it, bruh. Wouldn't let me in on my on that play. I had to move my contract over. Y'all suck on that one. Alright, right back down to 740. So let me see. So I'm looking right at my put contracts, guys. I'm looking at my puts. Looking at my puts. Let me see what's my next level. 39. Alright. Let me see if I get a little pullback on the next candle possibly, man. Because they messed me up on this one. They pushed me out of it. I mean, like, they kept pushing me up. I couldn't get in on it. Alright, here we go. Let me see how this candle gonna close out. Because you're right above. On the put side, you're above the VWAP. So that means you're underneath the VWAP on the call side. So ladies, I made a cheat sheet. Like I said, I made a cheat sheet. So I can show y'all what I was looking at. On how I knew how to go for the puts instead of a call. So you get right here is the call. Yo, so this is the upright chart, right? So what I did was I created a cheat sheet. Nadia, Jenna, Aussie. So look. So see, I created a cheat sheet. Come on, this stupid chart. Come on. Stop with this bull crap. Stop that. So I created a cheat sheet for myself on the put side whenever I'm looking at both to make a true decision. I'm going to fight this chart. I swear I'm going to fight it. And that's now, it keeps moving. I'm going to fight the living crap out of this damn thing. So I created like right here. So see how I can see the upright side, basically the call side, and then I can see the opposite side, the put side. So I'm reading it. I'm reading it from both ends. So I saw this little, I'm going to show you why I was going in for a put. So for a put, I saw the bull flag pattern right here. So after this engulfing green candle on the put side right here, which caused the red candle on the call side, I seen a bull flag pattern on one side and a bear flag pattern on the other side. So that's why I say I got the cheat sheet. So I can see it on my end. So I created a cheat sheet. All right. No, put. I was going for a put just now, but it got right back on top of 740.92, so I can't do it. So you notice, I knew my key level. 740.92, you back on top of it right now, so I can't play it. I can't play puts. Not right now, not that area is holding. That's key. I was trying to do it, but it wasn't, man, it was so active, it was so volatile, I couldn't do it. I was trying to go for a quick little scalp on it, but now you got right back on top of that price point. So now it look like you're bouncing back to the upside, Nadia. So right now, buyers have it. So that put, the pullback couldn't hold. The pullback couldn't hold. Because the buyers bought back up, got above that price point at 740.92. That was my key level on the put side. So if you notice, if you think about it on the put side, that'll be resistance. On the call side, that'll be support. Cause I saw it, I was looking right at it. I was like, I was trying to do it too. I was literally trying to do it. I was trying to go for that quick scalp, but damn, that was too quick. I couldn't do it. Damn, buyers wouldn't let me on that contract. All right, Jenna. So I got you 2 alerts on the upside, Queen. 399.52 to 400. Once you cross above that price point, then you'll be golden on the upside, and then from there you'll have 402 to 404. So it look like the pullback survives. So long still have it right now, Nadia. So uptrend is still holding. 740.92 level is holding. So watch that area from those bottoms. You want to go for that possible rotation back to the top. towards that 743 to 744. Man, let me see. I'm still watching that price point. It looks like it's still trying to hold though. I'm trying to see what it's gonna do right there at that price point, 740.92, because it keeps playing around that area. It definitely keeps playing around that area. But let me see if it's not gonna be a trap right here, a possible bear trap now. So let me see, because it could not be a bear trap if the shorts can't hold it and pull underneath it. It may be a bear trap now instead of a bull trap. So that means that's gonna be a no-go on the put side for me. Apple 302. And remember guys, Meta, remember I told you about Meta, what Meta can do. Remember I told you how Meta can move. So don't take your eyes off of Meta. 610s now trying to push his way up towards that 620. So just keep your eyes peeled on Meta. Man, it's like he keep playing right here around this area. So that's what I'm trying to say. They're about to set a bear trap right here. A bear trap. Fake out pullback and then get right back on top of that 740.92 and go back up. Let me see if it's gonna do that, because they may be trying to set up for a bear trap right there. Let me see what it's gonna do right here. See right here, they pull back, trap those shorts, then bought right back on up. Then you got back above that 740.92. See, watch right here. See, I think that's a bear trap now. It's a possible bear trap if it don't hold. If those shorts can't hold, yep, it's a bear trap. Bear trap. It's a good thing so I had to pay close attention to detail to see what it's doing. So I'm watching to see now if they're trying to use that for a trap, a bear trap, to trap the shorts right here, and then now try to reverse it. I was trying to go for it. See, I started right here, and then went for the bear trap for the short side, back down. But now you gotta, not bear trap, for the bull flag pattern. Bear flag pattern right here. Bear flag pattern on down. But then now this trap here turned into a bear trap. You can see it right here. Every time you pull back, buy, you step in. Pull back, buy, you step in. So they trapping those shorts right here. Right at that 740.92 level. That's why I was looking at it on my other chart. Look like a bear trap. So to me right now, that's a no-go on the short side. That's a trap right there. That's a trap. So that means that I probably need to switch my thought process over to the long side right now until we get back underneath that price point. So let me see. So I might need to play the long side real quick and not go for the short side just yet. Let me see. Are they gonna pull us down underneath it? What they gonna do? I'm trying to see what they're gonna do with this little area, man. Who gonna have it? Because it look like that's the area that the puts want. I see the area that the puts want. If they can hold it, you see what I mean right here? See right here? I'm watching to see who gonna have it, who gonna grab it. That's how many minutes we got left? 20 seconds. Is it gonna be a bull trap or a bear trap right here? So I'm trying to figure out which one is gonna have it, because it look like the longs may have it. So it look like the longs are still trying to trap them. Gap down underneath it a little bit. It's putting me in a tough position right here. This is gonna be a tough area. Tough area they're putting me in right now. Right at that price point, it's gonna be tough. It's tough. Boy, yeah, they putting me in a tough spot right here. I want to say puts. I want to give the puts the chance to say they're gonna have it. Yeah, they're making it tough for me right now. They're making it definitely tough for me right in this little area. Tough. Because if anything, if the long's gonna have it, we need to see a nice push to the upside. If the short's gonna have it, they're gonna yank it back underneath that price point. So that's gonna be like a key area where they fighting at right here. Right here is gonna be a little key area. That's why I'm waiting to see where we go. Because either the shorts are gonna yank back underneath this price point down, or the buyer's gonna trap those shorts and go for a squeeze back up. So watch right here. So see what I mean? See? That's why I say that they put me in a tough spot right here. Because I was trying to figure out what they're gonna do. They put me in a tough position. Who was gonna have it at this price point? Either the buyers or the sellers. That's why I was waiting to see who gonna have it. Like, truly have it. Because if you think about it, you got lower shadow. So, I mean, you definitely see the buyers trying to hold. You can definitely see the buyers holding. So, that's why I was watching those lower shadows, too. I was watching the lower shadows. So, that was one thing I was watching. Even in this little area, I was watching those lower shadows versus the upper shadows. So, I seen way more lower shadows versus upper shadows. That's what I was trying to figure out to see who, like, was in this area more. So, like, buyers was, like, more in this area. Because I kept saying lower shadow versus here, you barely had upper shadows. So in other words, that means buying pressure right here. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So yeah, this is a tough area right here. It's a tough area. Tough area. But let me see if the buyer's gonna try to go for the squeeze back up right here. If the buyer's gonna go for a squeeze, set up like a bear trap and squeeze them up towards the upside. That's why I had to figure out what was going to happen right here. Because I was about to set up for a put side, but I kept looking at that price point right here. They kept playing around it. And then when I seen on my put chart was upper shadow. But right here you see lower shadow. So that means buying pressure. So that means they're trying to set up a trap right here. They're trying to set up a trap, but they're going to trap those shorts. And look like they're going to try to squeeze that bad boy back up. So let me see if that's what they're going to do. That's why you got to pay close attention to details, guys. On setups, you got to pay close attention. Close attention to details. That's why I was watching to see. That's why I said they put me in a tough spot. Because I didn't know who was going to have it right here. I didn't know if the shorts was going to have it and yank them, or the buyers going to have it and squeeze back up. But what I started to notice, wow, and I'm going to show you on my chart too. My other chart, I already know it's going to give me a pain. I'm going to just move it over. Funk that, because I don't want to have to do all that. So what I noticed on my put one, I started to notice upper shadow. And I noticed right here was lower shadow. So that means buying pressure. So you already know, if I'm saying buying pressure on one end, I'm seeing selling pressure on the opposite end. So that's why I was just paying close attention to that to see what it was going to do. Because again, I was watching this to see who was going to trap who right in this area. Whether the buyers was going to trap the sellers or the sellers was going to trap the buyers. And you also got to keep in mind, guys, your indicators are still trying to hold up right. Your 9MA, 20MA, and all that still holding up correctly. So the 9MA hasn't crossed down to the downside just yet. So you got to keep that in mind too. So we haven't crossed to the downside on that indicator. Because that 9MA is still holding up. So you got to keep that in mind. 9MA is still holding up. VWAP is still holding up. So it looked like the buyers was trying to use this little area right here for a demand zone to buy in, buy up, and trying to now go for the reversal. Now they back on top of this uptrend. So look like they may be trying to go for a squeeze up this way. So it's a good thing I paid close attention to avoid getting caught in that trap right there. So I paid close attention to avoid getting caught in that trap. So I avoided that trap. I avoided that big time. Because I almost did it. I was about that close. I almost got caught in the trap. Now, the only way sellers going to have it, if they pull back underneath that price point. Crack that trend line and pull right back underneath this price point. But right now, buyers are trying to hold strong. They're trying to avoid those sellers from cracking it. So that means that we're about to gap up. There you go. So right here was a bad trap. Was setting up right here. Right? If people that wasn't paying attention, that was a trap. That was a bad trap right there in the setting. Right there in the setup. That's a good thing I paid close attention to that and avoided that trap. I almost got caught. In it. I almost just put myself in that position. That's why I had to go on my other chart and pay close attention. And I saw it. See, I saw that. I saw upper shadow on the put charts, and I saw lower shadows on the call chart. So I noticed the two. I was like, ooh, I had to avoid that. But you got some traders that don't pay attention to this. Like right in this little area, they ain't gonna pay attention to it. They ain't gonna notice the lower shadows. They're not gonna notice the higher low bill, and they're not gonna notice the trap. And that's why a lot of shorts, like newbie traders would jump in on the short side right here and not even paying attention to the trap that's getting set up right in this area. And look, it's getting squeezed out. See what I mean? So that's why you always gotta pay close attention to detail. You gotta pay close attention to detail. Cause I almost did it if I wouldn't have noticed that. I almost, but the main thing I kept watching was this price point, which was like around 740.92. I told you guys that was key. Why 740.92? Because that was a previous 52-week high. Why do you think I keep all my stuff marked? All this is 52 areas, old areas. Here, 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 all the way up towards these newer areas. So that's why I keep them jotted down. I don't care if we break through them or whatever. I keep it because you may see it again. And see, it worked. I kept my line. That was an old previous 52 week high. Those buyers saw it and used it, and there you go. That's how you gotta use it to the best of your ability. That's why you gotta always keep your lines in place, because you never know if you're gonna need them. So right now, guys, all we doing now is making a U-shaped pattern. U-shaped pattern. We are still in this ascending triangle pattern. Still setting up on the long side, trying to push our way up towards 43.90. What it was, 43.91. Yeah, up towards that 43.91 to 44. So let's see as we keep pushing. You got another 52 week high coming up. That's gonna be around 742.90. That's that one. Always keep your stuff marked, guys. Always keep your stuff marked in place, because you never know if you're gonna need them. You're gonna need them. Always. Wait, I'm going on the wrong thing. I meant to set up an alert. I put the wrong damn thing in place. My fault, guys. I meant to put an alert. 42.90. Yeah, it's perfect. All right, 42.90 on the upside. Bam. All right, cool. So that's gonna be this one here, and then you got that one here, right where that 200-day moving average is. So right here, look for this pot. Look at this pattern, guys. Look at this U-shaped pattern. Was they setting up a bear flag the whole? I mean, a bull flag the whole time? Nah, I don't see no bull flag on it. But look like they trying to do a channel breakout. U-shaped pattern. Trying to break out that way towards these highs, and that's gonna put you right towards that 742.90. That's that previous 52 week high. That's why I labeled them for you guys. Previous 52 week high, previous 52 week high, previous 52 week high, where it can pull up like a magnet or pull down like a magnet. So watch. Let's see. I see those short. I see those sellers trying to come in. I see sellers trying to come in and pull them back down, but keep it on watch to see. Let's see. Yeah, boy. So I told y'all, boy. Fridays is a whole different ball game versus Monday through Thursdays. Fridays is way different, because you gotta think about it, guys. You got a lot of people with 0 DTEs. Where a lot of them, the contracts, some of them are getting 8 out. And a lot more pressure is on them, because this is the last day, expiration date and everything else. So a lot of pressure is getting put on them. So and not just that, you got a lot of stop losses getting hit. Stop losses, not stop losses, short squeezes and so forth. So you gotta think about all that, especially on Fridays, last trading day of the week. A lot of things closing out. Especially contracts. So there's a lot of pressure on Fridays, where, it just does some, it get crazy. Definitely gets crazy. So still fighting. Buyers are still trying to fight, trying to hold that trend line, trying to stay on top. Still fighting. They still fighting. Because we ain't cracked that main key level I'm waiting on. You already know what level I'm waiting on to give me that full confirmation on the put side. Right now, to me, it's still bullish. So I'm still not chasing. I'm still not jumping in on the put side just yet. They could try to set a bear trap. Let's see what's gonna happen. They could do a fake out pullback and then spike right back up. Let's see what's gonna happen. Right down towards that 740.92. Let's see if they're not about to set up another trap. Let me see what they're gonna do right here. Either because again, for us to get that full confirmation, we need to close underneath. Like this candle that's setting up. If we was gonna pull back down, we'll need to have an engulfing red candle and a close. But we don't want, like I said, this could be a possible trap. But you pull back down and those buyers buy right back on up, where they trapping those shorts again, because they're trying to go for a harder push. Let's see. So 2 different ways it's about to go. Either the short's gonna have it and you get an engulfing red candle back down that way, thus putting you back underneath the old 52-week high and the VWAP, or this is about to be a trap where it looks like it's gonna fake pullback, trap more shorts, and then buy right back on up and then squeeze back that way. So, see what I mean? See, you gotta pay close attention to the detail. Gotta watch those setups. All that is a trap right here, straight trap. It's a trap right there. It's a trap. And a lot of those shorts not paying attention that all they do is they jumping in and getting trapped right here. Buyers buying right back up and then pushing it right back to the upside. And they don't realize that that's what they're doing. Once you start to understand the psychology behind both sides, that means that we need to get back on top of a breakthrough. What? Oh, 41.50. 41.50. So if those bonds can break back above 41.50, they reversing it. Because that means that they're going to try to go for a strong push this way. Let's watch. See, I told you. Straight trap. Straight trap. You got to know how to read the room. You got to know how to read the room on these bad boys. Straight trap. They already would trap more shorts and more buyers piled in. Because they're trying to go for a harder push that way. They're trying to go for even a harder push. A way harder push. Because they're trying to go for that U-shaped pattern. So they're trying to create traps. They're trying to create all these opportunities to power this area up. To try to go for a stronger blast. That's what they're trying to do. So they trap more shorts. Whoever jumped in on the short side, they trap more. See? Bam. Right back on top of the trend line. Right in the center triangle pattern. Trying to go for that squeeze up. So, I mean, once you start to get the hang of it, like the patterns, the setups, you get used to it. You get used to like understanding the thought process on both sides, on the long side and the short side. Start to get the hang of it. Start to get used to it. Get used to it. Because look at the buying pressure. Lower shadow, lower shadow. So keep it on watch. So right now you got a bad trap in place. Let's see. They still pulling. Let me see. Let's see what they're gonna do. Man, this little area right here crazy. This little area right here crazy. This little area right here crazy. This is a crazy, crazy area. What time we got left? 2 minutes. See, buyers gonna need to buy back up. Get back on top of that trend line. Damn, dude. Let me see. Are they reversing the trap? Yeah, this area dangerous. This area dangerous. God, this area is dangerous. This area dangerous. It's a dangerous area right here. This is a dangerous, dangerous area. That's why I'm waiting to see which way this bad boy what do he want to truly do. This is crazy. Yeah, this is a dangerous area. Dangerous area right here. I'm waiting. I'm not jumping in on this area. I'm waiting. Bump that. This area too dangerous. I'll wait on confirmation. I'll wait. He got honor roll? My son got honor roll? Oh, man. My son got honor roll. My son got honor roll. I'm so proud. He got honor roll and extreme improvement. What? You go, boy. You go, boy. That's what I'm talking about, man. I couldn't be more proud of my man. Look at here. Honor roll. I'll make some smart babies. I'll make some smart babies. They gonna be geniuses. That boy genius. There go that trap guy still setting up. I told y'all. I told you that area was gonna be dangerous, 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 dangerous. U-shaped pattern, as I told you guys, trapping those shorts, going for that next leg up. My son made honor roll, man. I'm so no put up. Nah, no put yet. No put yet. Not yet. No put yet. No put yet. Not yet. Not yet. The buyer still have it. You still got to keep in mind, you still in this ascending triangle pattern. Still got this U-shape building up. There's no crack down yet. Look at me. Look at the strength of the buyers. Buyers are still holding. Buyers are definitely still holding right now. So yeah, not yet. Yeah, no shorts yet. Not yet. Not yet. They still holding pretty strong. Still holding up pretty steady. Still holding up pretty steady. See, they still moving their way up this way. So yeah, be careful right now. They still pushing. Still pushing. Now we're going up towards this previous 52-week high right here, guys. Right up here. 41.98. If you want to round it off, 742. Oh, I forgot to set my alert. God dog it. It's going to be too late now. By the time I said it's too late. It's too late. Look like they may be setting up a little bull flag, setting up right here. If they break through, get that candle to close up. It's going to help that next candle coming in. If they get that bad boy to break above and close, should help the next candle out coming. I'm so proud of him, man. He made honor roll. That is crazy work. He made honor roll. Just he a genius, man. Bad boy's a genius. Why does he keep doing that? Oh, there we go. Sending that to everybody. I gotta send it to the family, man. I'm proud. I got a little genius, man. They all geniuses. I'm too proud of my kids, man. It's crazy. Congratulations to my son. Son, congratulations, man. Making honor roll. So proud of you, man. Keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. Proud of you, King. Keep proud of you, man. All right, let's see right here, guys. Right here, remember, 52-week high. Let's see. So you gotta keep in mind, it's a psychological level. So the buyers, we need to break that price point if they want to get that push up to the upside. Right now, we got sellers sitting right here. Sellers sitting right here. Sellers sitting right here. Buyers are fighting. Buyers are fighting to go back down. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. What we got left on this candle? Almost 1 minute in. So the buyers gonna need to break, and they're gonna need to get a breakout. Right here, psychological level, as I told you. Psychological level. Psychological level. Still nothing yet on Google Queen Jenna. Nope, still nothing yet. Not on that one yet. Like I told you guys, keep your eyes peeled on Meta. Keep your eyes peeled on Meta still. To see if it's gonna go for that breakout towards that 620. If we can get that push. But just keep it on watch. We know today Friday gonna be a little tricky. I'm gonna put my alert. Do I have one set for this? Oh, I do. 615. Watch this level, guys. Like I said, still holding. Buyers are still holding. They're refusing to let those sellers pull them back. So they're still holding. Still holding. Still holding. Still holding. Because for like I said, for the short side, we definitely want to see a red candle, and we want to see that nice, strong, engulfing candle pull back that way. Give us that full confirmation. But they still trying to hold. 9MA is still trying to hold that bad boy up. They may set up another trap. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen right here. Because if y'all notice, the 20MA and the 9MA is still holding it. Still holding it. Keep it on watch. Let's see where we go. This little area, boy. This area right here is crazy. It's a dangerous area right here. You got the sellers up here. You got the buyers right here. So we're like in this range. In this range, guys. We're in a range right now. We're in a range. We're in a range. Range. Tops and bottoms between these two previous 52-week highs. So we're right in between the two. In between the two. So the question is, how we're going to come out this box? Are we going to break out of this box up, or are we going to crack that box down? See, the buyer's going to need to break out above this price point and hold for that next leg up to the upside to go for that continuation push. So after consolidation, you need to go for that break and go for that second leg up. Because you got leg number 1 here, consolidation, and then we're trying to go for leg number 2. Trying to go for leg number 2. That's the goal. Try to break out this area. I don't know. I guess I can put it now, though. Nope, never mind. I ain't gonna put an alert. Look like I want to break it. I'm gonna say never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, let me go to Microsoft too. Like I said, watch Microsoft, Meta, and Google. Look like all your tech companies are moving. So it look like all the tech companies are moving. That's what it look like. Look like all tech are moving. Like I said, Meta, watch that 615. Go for that 615 break. We want to go for that push up towards that 620. I mean, I'll stand alert though. Yeah, I'm still getting hammered. Still getting hammered. No breakout yet. Still getting hammered. Still getting hammered. But it hasn't looked like it's getting a tighter squeeze though. Right up that 9 MA. It's like something is about to happen. Definitely getting a tight area. Getting tighter and tighter. So either we about to get a breakout or we about to get a heavy pull coming. Let's see what's about to happen. One of the two is about to happen. Either those buys are going to come in strong and push, or more sellers about to come in and yank. One of those two. Because like I said, we got to find a way out of this box. Either we break out or you crack. That's going to give us our confirmation on what's about to happen. But right now, buys are still holding. So I still think buys may have it still, in a sense. Just waiting to see. I'm just waiting on that bottle to push for that confirmation. Ooh, my back. God, my back. God, my back. NVDA got you, boss. Appreciate you, Primo. Appreciate you, boss. Thanks so much. I'm about to go to it. Let me set up this alert for Meta. Just in case it does push, but right now it's not. All right, let me go to NVIDIA. What we got on NVIDIA? What we doing? Where we at? Oh, yeah, that 230. We need 230. Because we already above, what, 228? So we want that 230 push, guys. 230 break for that push up to 232. So I'm going to put 2 alerts for NVIDIA. Shout out to Primo for bringing that up to our attention. Shout out to the GOAT. So 232 is one alert, and 230 is the other alert for NVIDIA. All right, and 230 is the next one. 230. Oh God, y'all don't realize how much my back is aching right now. Oh my God, it's like feel like that pillow of this little cushion ain't doing nothing. It's like it's just it's propping me up, but it ain't back still in pain. I got NVIDIA still pushing to the upside, 230. We get that break above 230 for that push up to 232. Oh gosh, CLWV2. Let me see. 110. We need that break above 110 on CLWV. Look like it bounced off of 160. What was this bottoms? 164, 106.40. Trying to push its way up towards 110. Putting alert at 110 on that one. 110 on you. And then from 110 for the 110 to 112 on CLWV. Gotta keep in mind, guys, today is Friday. I know it's gonna be a little tricky. Today is Friday. Alright, still got sellers holding that area, trying to pull, because we know what area they're trying to crack below. It's gonna be tricky, guys. Watch this little range. Let's see what's about to happen. Well, now we back to these bottoms, back down to this old 52-week high on the downside. Let's see. Will buyers hold and push, or will we successfully crack below and start to go for that pull back down? Which way are we going? So far up a shadow, back down this way. Yeah, I told you, boy, Friday's gonna be crazy. It looks like CLWV setting up for a bull flag pattern. For a possible bull flag pattern back up. Let's see. That's what it looked like it's setting up to do. NVIDIA, watching 228, guys. Watching 228 floor for that possible push back up. So NVIDIA still trying to build. Oops. NVIDIA still trying to build its way up. Still trying to build. Watch that floor right here on SPY. To see if the buy's gonna hold and push. Or will we crack it? One of the two. Watch these bottoms, guys. Watch these bottoms. Watch these bottoms. Watch these bottoms. Watch these bottoms. Still holding. Still holding. Still got CRW pushing to the upside. The video still holding off of 228. So it looks like they're trying to hold at respectful levels at this time. Let's see where we go. Got SPY starting to pull back just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh man, I'm on these trades. I'm just trying to see where we're going, you know, because I want to. Let me minimize it just a little bit. I know we don't need this trend line no more right now. Let me take this trend line off. Take that off right now. Or I can move it. Like around this area right here. Matter of fact, let me see. Because that's going to be a crucial area. Let me move it over. Let me take you off to this block. If not holding OOGL, a drop is coming. Google. Right now, look like I mean the video is holding above 228. We hold that area. I mean the target area is 230. CRWV. Breakout area is 110. And let me see Google. The Googlers. Starting to pull. Starting to pull. Let's see. Are we gonna stay underneath? Let me still got an ugly setup on my put side though. Why is, I mean even though we pulling, why I gotta, unless it's delayed or something. Unless that bad boy delayed. Is it moving? I don't think it's. Let me see something, man. Don't tell me my chart froze. That's why I can't see nothing. Let me see. I think it froze on me. Probably that's why I can't see nothing on this damn thing. Why I look like my chart is frozen? Let me refresh that put chart. Oh, there we go. Man, it was frozen. That's why I couldn't see nothing. Yeah, it was frozen. Ah, that's some bull crap. No wonder why I couldn't see jack crap on it was like, cause I'm like, it's pulling on that. It should be showing a green count on that chart. Like, what? Yeah, my chart was frozen, man. I knew someone right. Ah. Yeah, it just messed me up, man. It literally just messed me up. God dog it, it messed me up big time. My put chart was frozen. That's why I couldn't see nothing. God dog it. Underneath what? We need that crack of what? 396 primo? Underneath 396? Yeah, it messed me up big time. God dog. Ah, this spiking on up too on my put contract too. Good Lord, it's spiking. I was trying to see if I can get the pullback though. Why is everything moving like this? Moving slow though. On my damn chart. I hope it don't do like it did last time when it kept freezing my even my executions kept freezing my my plays. Hope it ain't doing that crap. That's what happened last time. Y'all remember, guys? It froze, and I like when I was trying to get out of a trade and it froze on me. I hope it ain't doing that crap. Let me see. All right, get this pullback. I'm trying to play the pullback down real quick. Let me see if we can grab my orders. I got one all the way down to 48. Damn, that was a good entry on that one. Yeah, my damn chart froze on me, guys. Yeah, that's what happened, man. My chart froze. It messed me up. Threw me off. Literally threw me off. It's pulling back. I don't know why my charts is moving so slow. Like, I don't know why it's doing that. It's making me paranoid, man. It's making me paranoid as shit right now. It's freezing on me. I don't need those type of issues. I don't need those issues. Please don't do that. Please don't freeze on me. Please don't freeze on me, Big Sexy. Please don't freeze on me, Big Sexy. Don't do that. Don't do that. I don't need the freezing. I don't need the Mr. Freeze. I'll start putting in my stop loss soon. Let me see. Alright, cool. I got my stop loss in. Stop loss in. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. I want you to go in the 60s. I want to move you up, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna move it up one more time. I don't want to take it out. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Alright, cool. Cool. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Going to the 60 cents, baby. 60 cents so I can move you up into the 60s, baby. Move up to the 60s, baby. Going to the 60 cents so I can catch you. Don't pull back, though. Don't pull back yet. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Keep going. It took it out. Oh, it took it out. Damn it. God damn it. It took it out. I got out. Shit. Where I'm up now at? I can't see where my price is at. Where I'm at. What's the whole price? Where I'm at now? Am I at 150 yet? 148? Come on. Come on. I'm at 148, guys. God damn it. I was trying to get to 150. Shit. So I'm sorry. I'm too hyped right now. I'm too hyped. Hold on. Let me see where I'm at. Let me double check that. Make sure that's the right price on my, It got me at 148. Come on. I was almost at 150, man. What's going on? Shoot. 148. I'm at 148, 84. God dang it. God. Dang it. I did it. Despite the charts freezing on me. Made me paranoid as hell. Alright, let me move up I'm happy to move up my little thing. I'm at 150. 150, baby. Almost 150. 148, it got me. God dang it, played me. I'm at 148. God dog. I'm gonna round it off to 149 though. Cause like 148.80 something. I'll put 149. I'll round it. Damn, boy, it caught me off. So yep, 149. 149. God! Oh, I had it. It hit my stop loss. I would have been up like 150 something already. You dirty broad. Oh, you dirty broad, you. It hit my stop loss. I was at damn near about 150. I was at almost at 150. Let me see if I can try to catch another one. I'm gonna try to do it again. I gotta wait for a pullback though. Now it's getting overextended. Damn, man. Hit my stop loss and just started spiking on my contract. You dirty broad. You dirty bastard. You dirty bastard. Oh, you dirty bro. Oh, now it's up like 70 cents. Spy. Oh, let me show you what I did. Primo, I'm gonna show you. I made a cheat sheet. So look. This is what I did. So I made a cheat sheet for myself. So I flipped my chart upside down. If you can see my chart, I flipped my chart upside down, right? So I look at it from a put side standpoint, and I look at it from a call side standpoint. So I knew the area that I needed on the put side. I knew once we cracked that 740.92, I went in for the put side, right? Because that means on your put side you got green candles. So that means I can see the setup on the put side and the setup on the call side. So once we got all that crack underneath that 740.92, I got in on the put because I saw a possible bull flag pattern setup on the put side, which equals a bear flag pattern on the call side. So I seen that, I jumped in and I caught the put side. I caught the put. I saw it because I knew what price point I needed, which was 740.92 on SPY. 740, yeah, so 742.92 crack, which caused that green candle on the put side. I went for it. I was like, yes, yes, I did it. I caught it. I made a cheat sheet. That cheat sheet worked out too. See that, guys? See how they do the opposite of one another? So this is my put chart, my call chart, and I knew exactly what price point I needed on my put chart. Booyah! Yeah. Let's go. Oh shit! I closed my chart, didn't I? Son of a... I closed it. I got too excited. I closed my chart. Let me bring it back up. Yeah, buddy. And that's the price point I got. Oh, Primo. Let me bring y'all on game 2. Hold on. Hold on while I got the floor. Look what else I can see going into next week. Let me ask you guys this. Primo, Aussie, Nadia, Taylor. As we go into next week, what is a possible setup we got right in front of us? What is a possible setup we got right in front of us? Going into next week. Can y'all see it on my 1 hour time frame? Can y'all see it? What can y'all call it out? What is a possible setup going into next week? That's kind of giving us a clue. Going into next week. What clue do y'all somewhat see going into next week? Can y'all call it out, ladies and gentlemen? What do y'all see? I'm talking about pattern. What pattern do y'all see that could be giving us a clue going into next week? What clue is it giving us? What do y'all see? I see some of that, but it's something else I see too. I see a pattern. Let me see. Head and shoulders pattern. Nah, that do. Okay, that is a good call too. Good call on head and shoulders. But what's another one though? What's another one? Yes! Inverted cup, baby. An inverted damn cup. You show right. Let me give you a shout out to all of y'all. Shout out to all of y'all. Yes, an inverted cup. Inverted cup. Cause look right here. Cause if we take those bottoms from, what was that, Tuesday, I think? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, we take Tuesday's bottoms. Start here. To the area that we ran up to yesterday. We got a somewhat of an inverted cup on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. We got an inverted cup on our hands. Could be setting up going into next week. Possibly. I see that. I see that sexy thing setting up. Oh, man, I would have been up 150. I can't believe that it cheated me. Oh, my God, it cheated me. That hurt my heart. That literally hurt my heart. Oh, my God, it hurt my heart. I would have been up 150 already. That's crazy work. God dang it, it played me so quick. And yeah, I mean, you got a little inverted cup right here, too, on SPY. Got a little inverted cup. Bottoms all the way back down towards 738. 738. So see how easy it is to call these out, man? Like Profit SPY, volume drop here. Shout out to Primo. Shout out to everybody calling out these plays. You guys did an amazing job already. I came in and y'all still killing it. Still killing the game. I wish I would have caught that swing trade last night, though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie, Primo, Aussie, Nadia, I wish I would have caught that swing trade last night. Because that was a $10 drop last night. If y'all think about it, let me show y'all. If y'all would have got in, because the highs we hit was what? Yeah, so 749, and you dropped all the way down to 339. That was a $10 drop. Y'all would have woke up in some good profits last night. That was damn near a $10 to $11 drop. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful drop. That was a sick drop. $10? Boy, my back wouldn't have been hurting. I would have been paying attention to that possible setup. Now, Jay, why would you would have risked going in up there? How you know when it went up higher? Because the fact is we was close to 750, as I told y'all where that targeted area was. I told y'all that. I told y'all where those buys were trying to go. I know we didn't go all the way to it, but I told y'all that was aiming for 750. Was I lying? Y'all been on my live. How many times I called that out? I said on where I think those buys was trying to go to. Didn't I say I told y'all I think they was trying to go up between 748 to 750? So yeah, I would have went for a put. Cause they gotta think about it. 750 $50 mark. And you know there's gonna be a strong resistance within itself. Man, I wish I was here. I would have took that play. I would have murdered the French cake out of it. Man, I can't believe it messed me up. I'd have been over 150, over one something. If it wouldn't have took out my stop loss, I would have been in on it. I would have took it out. I would have had it. I would have had that. I would have been up like 150 already on my trade, guys. I I would have had it. It hit my stop loss. I was trying to move it up as it was going up, and it came down and took my stop loss. I had it too. I had it. Oh, I had it. All right, let's see where we at now, guys. Remember, now we're in this lower frame here. So now we're in between 139.19 where we bounced and up towards your 52-week high. Remember, now you're underneath 740.92. Remember, now it's no longer support, now resistance. So even as they rotate back up, watch that 740.92 level, and you crack that trend line too. So now you went from the bullish side of that trend line now to the bearish side of the trend line. So even once we get that bounce back on up, watch your 740.92 for a possible trap. Now now bull trap for the pullback down. See what happened last time. It's kind of giving you a clue too. Last time it hit the 740.92, what happened? You yank back on down. So keep that in mind. So now resistance can turn back into resistance. So if those buys do hold and push back up, watch your 740.92. See if we can create a bull trap here and then reverse it back down again. So that's what I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the bounce back up to see if I can utilize that price point now on the short side of things and try to rally and try to go for the next move. Cause I'm trying to close it at 150, guys. Cause all I gotta do now next week is make $50. I'm up now 200. I told you now I can get more comfortable with, I have some good cushion. And for those, and I'll show y'all my proof that I am up at like 148. I made a quick little scalp on that move. So let me show y'all. I'm gonna go to my broker and I'll take a screenshot of it and I'll show y'all the proof that I ain't lying. Y'all know me. I don't never hide anything from you guys. I always show my proof. Let me take a little screenshot real quick. Screenshot of you and show you today's value. And you can see I went from now at 148. Now y'all can see the proof. I'm right there to that 150. Right there to 150. 148.94. All I did was just round it off. I just rounded it off. So, all right, there we go. Push back up. Watch these levels as we come up here. VWAP and 740.92. Watch those two specific levels. I'm gonna keep those on watch as well to see on how and what's gonna take place from here. Cause it looked like the put side could be making a cup, while the call side could be making an inverted cup. So I'm gonna keep it on watch to see as we pull back down on this bad boy. Pull back, pull back. That's why I say lot profits on. Yeah, exactly. And I was telling them the same thing, Primo. I said today is Friday. Friday is a way different ball game from Monday and Thursdays, because like I was telling them on Fridays, you got, especially with options, you got, contracts expiring, a lot of stop losses getting hit and so forth. So you got to keep that in mind. Let's say we get about 3 candles up right into that resistance, possible resistance, because I want to see if those levels going to start to hold. Those sellers going to move down this way. Like down right between the VWAP and that 740.92. I want to see if those sellers gonna move in right in those low areas, those low key areas. All right, there we go, trying to push up. Let's see if the bull trap is gonna start to commence like right around this little area. Cause you gotta keep in mind, guys, you done fell out of that range. Now on the downside of the range. So now what was one support, now resistance. So let's see if we're gonna make another lower high somewhere in this little bracket, creating somewhat of a downtrend. So let's take the trend line and reverse it the opposite way now and do a downtrend setup this way. Booyah. Now giving us a descending wedge instead of a uptrend. So let's see what we got. So let's see if we'll get a little 3 candle bar play up right into resistance for a move right back down. I just want to see what's going to happen. I'm going to give it some time. to see what's going to happen. Let's see. So, and then next week, guys, we may have an inverted cup on our hands next week. So, gear up for that. So, we could be seeing more pullback coming later on. How we looking on the weekly as far as the RSI? Let me see. How we looking on the RSI on that bad boy? Spire. Oh yeah, we still damn near overbought. So that means we still got a lot of room to fall off, even off the RSI. So let me see something. Could we create a big red. See, this candle gonna have to fall. We're gonna have to crack it. We're gonna have to crack last. What was this close? 37.62. So 37.62. We're gonna have to come. We're gonna have to crack that level. Make a duplicate copy real quick. That's last. I think that was last week's close. So let me mark that off for us. So 37.62 from last week's close, and that'll be last week's closeout. I'm gonna put LW. That means last week, so I don't have to type out the whole damn thing. Last week's close. Put that to the right side, and I'm gonna mark that off. And what color can I put you? Guess I'll put it yellow. Yes. That's last week's close. I think that's right. I think that's correct. Close. Yeah, 37. Yeah, 737.62. Last week's close. High was 38.08. Yep. So these gonna be the two areas we need to fall underneath today. These gonna be the two areas we need to fall underneath. So that's why you bounced, because you bounced off of last week's close. That's why they had a good strong bounce. And so this area was last week's close and last week's high of day. So that's why we need to take these two specific levels out for that pullback down. So that's why. So that'll cause us to go for a good sell-off going into next week. So we can take out last week's area on down, then we'll be golden. So your main areas, let me see what I can mark it off. I'm gonna mark it off. I want to separate the colors. I guess I put it orange or whatever. Just separate, you know, since it was last week's area. Something like that. Yeah. So that's all last week's. That's the areas that we need to fall underneath today. That's the areas we need to crack today. Because that'll help us out. Because that means last week's area is going to turn to resistance again. So that's just going to add more and more resistance coming. More and more resist. I could have went for it. Let me see. Let me see how this bad boy's setting up. I said, what we need to break? Well, what do we need to crack? Oh yeah, because I mean we got a big inverted cup on our hands, Primo, going into next week. Because even on my 1 hour time frame, I mean, look, from what it was, Tuesday's bottoms, I think this Tuesday's bottom, something like that. Tuesdays, yeah. Let me bring it up a little bit, guys, so y'all can see the date on it. Bring it up a little bit. There you go. Bam. Yeah, guys, so last Tuesday's, yeah, right here. I mean, not last, but this Tuesday's bottom, see how we're creating a big old cup? Inverted? Look at this. Big old inverted cup. Inverted cup, so... y'all, I'm giving y'all heads up, you know, how to prepare ourselves for next week. So get ready. So at least y'all have that idea going into next week. So I do see an inverted cup on our hands. So it looks like we in this little. I want to see if we're gonna get rejected. I'm waiting to see if we can get a bull trap. Do you think today? Nah, I mean I don't think it's a possibility. We have a strong pullback. I mean for sure. I can say I'll say at like around 738 to start off with. Because you got to keep in mind, that's a strong area first, Nadia, right here. See how you had that strong bounce? Now, you bounced off that area because that was last week's high of day. See, you bounced off of last week's high of day, which was 738. And let me go back to it a little bit so you can see on how powerful that level is on both sides of the fence. Let me see. Let me go back to it. Go back. Doom. 738. Oh, right here. Yep, 38. What was that area when we first hit? Right here. So that's why we need to crack that level, Nadia. That's why that's gonna be first. See on how powerful it is, 738. That was I think that was last Friday's high day, something like that. Friday before last, one of the two. And then see how it acts as support and resistance on both sides of the fence. So that's why we need to crack it today. We need to crack that bad boy today. That's why I had a strong push because they utilized it because you was above it. They utilized it for support. That's why you got that strong bounce today. So that's why we could crack underneath it. We could take that away from them and turn that bad boy into resistance. So that's why we need to go. We need to flip that area real quick on them. Ah, don't tell me we already starting to pull back. Oh man, I was waiting on it. Let's see. Dang it. I was waiting on these tops. God dog. Damn it. I missed it. I think I missed it. Shoot. I think I missed it. I missed the top. We ain't go all the way up. I was waiting on it. I mean, it still could. Still could try to go forward if it don't pull back. I want these tops. It's like they didn't let them go all the way up. I want to see if they're going to try to go for it again, though. Like, before we start to get, like, a major pullback yet. Because you do got an ugly cup, inverted cup right here. You do got, like, an ugly cup. And that handle is going to be, like, somewhere, like, right here. I wanted to hit that trend line, that true area. So it may go for like a little two-legged pull-up. Because you got one candle, consolidation, and it may go for, like, one leg up. And then we probably could see it. Because I want these tops. I want these areas here. This is what I want. And then that pullback. That's what I want. I want that top. I'm hungry. No, well, don't start that, Prima. I just noticed what you just did. Don't do that. I just noticed what you just did. Smart ass. I say no, 3880s. Okay, smart ass. You know what I mean. Everybody want to be a comedian. I swear they do. So here we go, guys. A little two-legged pull-up. Got like a little bull flag pattern setting up. Let's see. Because I want to see it. Because I'm waiting for these true areas up here. Waiting for these true areas first. Then I'm going to consider it. I see that bull flag setting up. I ain't stupid. That's why I was waiting. That's why I wasn't chasing just yet. I was going to wait for this thing to play out. Because I know my areas I want. I'm waiting on you, Big Sexy. I'm waiting on you because I'm trying to get to 150 before I close out today. So at least y'all know that I'm only $50 away from 200. So once I get to 200, my account getting bigger. I go in with more contracts, and I'm about to go ape crazy. And I do apologize that it's been a slow climb with the small account challenge. I'm sorry. It's been crazy. Like I said, when I first started off, I had to figure out what was going to work best for me. Because I was, when I first started, I was experimenting. I didn't know what I wanted to use. Because I was going through different ones. I was going through CRWV. I was going through like certain ETFs. I was going through TQQQ, SQQQ. I was trying to figure out what was going to work best for me. So that's what took me a little bit longer too. Because I was trying to figure out. But end of the day, I landed on SPY and I just stuck with it. Yep, SPY, I just stuck with it. I say bump it. After all that experimenting and testing, SPY. So. Let's see if we get that next leg up this way, right into this little zone. Let's see what we get. We get that nice little push. One more. See if we can get these buys in this trap. Get these buys in this trap real quick. Just being patient and waiting, guys. Being patient and waiting. I want to see this one push up that way. Then I can make my determination on what's going to take place. Because you can see where the sellers are located. I mean, you guys can see it for yourselves where the sellers are located. Every time we run up these areas, pull back, pull back, pull back. So we know where the true areas are located. Yeah, and that's all. And that's because I want you guys to win. Also, of course. I mean, I want y'all to win. It's all about patience. Like, I don't just jump in anywhere. I know my psychological levels. And it helps me be patient as a trader to put myself in on the right side of things. Because, again, I want you guys to win, too. And again, I mean, of course, I'm going to try to lead by example, do the best that I can. I sold the 745. What? Huh? 745. Ah, don't stop pulling. No, not yet. Not yet. Go for a push-up. Go for a push-up real quick. Not yet. I want a big trap. A huge trap. Because right here is like a little consolidation. That's why I want to push real quick. Come on. Because, I mean, right here, guys, if y'all pay close attention, like an ugly inverted cup and handle. I mean, y'all clearly see that. That's why I want that push right into that area where I know those sellers come in aggressive. Oh, they already started to pull. See? Got an inverted cup right there. Cup and handle. That's why I want this little area right here. I want it like right there. So then get trapped, and then go for a hard pull this way. Cause like I said, if you look at it, see that's what we had before. We hit this area before. So you go back right about here, same area, and then you got rejected and pull it back down that way. Come on, man. Come on. Not yet. Ah, y'all messing my play up. God dog it. Y'all messing me up. Y'all messing me up. 739.19. Why do I got 739.19? What's the reason why I had that price point? Why do I have that price point? Why do I have this area? No, I was trying to figure out why I had this 39.19 area. Why the hell did I have this area? Where did I put this line? I mean, we did bounce. Well, yeah, we did bounce off of it, but it had to be another reason why I put that price point there, though. Gotta be another reason why I put that. Why did I put that line in particular? I'm trying to figure out why I had 30. I mean, we did bounce off 39. I was trying to figure out why I had it. I was trying to figure out why did I place that line there. I mean, we did bounce off on it, but I was trying to figure out, did I see anything before? What was that? What was the close on that? 17. So it's actually 17, not 19. Let me see. I mean, that's what that. Yeah, where we had that bounce at. So remember, guys, we're in a downtrend setup right now. Remember, we underneath the line. We on the bearish side of that line right now. So every time we hit the trend line, pull back, trend line, pull back. So that's why I'm waiting to see for another little trap right here. So I'm patiently waiting on this little trap to go up. I mean, this little push to go up to see if we're gonna trap them. Because I know they're gonna try to go for a possible squeeze to try to retest these areas again. I know that's what they're gonna try to do. They're gonna try to go for another little test. So I'm just waiting. They said they're gonna try to go for what, like one more push, and then I can go from there to see. Because I want them to go around these psychological areas where I know those sellers are sitting at. NVDA, let's see. NVDA, let me see. How we looking, boss? NVDA. NVDA, 228 crack. Yep, 228 crack, guys. We cracked that level. We do have room to fall down to 226. So 228 is almost like your little pivot point. Above 228, yes, you have room to run up towards 230. Below 228, yes, you have room to fall down to 226. So I'm gonna put two alerts for the downside and the upside. I'm gonna put underneath, below. So I'm gonna put two alerts. And your mid area on the video is gonna be 228. That's gonna be a little pivot point for right now. I'm gonna put it yellow because that's gonna represent pivot. I'm gonna put it yellow. Yellow, fellow. All right, there we go. So 228. So think about a range between 26, 28, 30. So mid area, 28. Above that price point, you got room to run up to 30. Below that price point, down to 26. So that'll be like your little setup. Let me make a duplicate copy real quick to show y'all the charts, whoever is watching the video. So I'm gonna make a bottom in green towards 226. And I'm gonna make a, what the hell? Where my line just went? What the hell just happened? Oh, there you go. And make another one for 230. That'll be tops. So I'm gonna put that red. Put that red to 230 tops. And there go your range. Bam. There you go. For right now. For the video. That'll be your range right now. Alright. What's up, T? Damn, man, don't start pulling. Let me see. Let's see. I wonder if they're gonna try to buy back up real quick and then reverse. Or we're gonna start pulling already. Cause if the buy's gonna have it, you need to get that candle. You need those buys to buy back up, get above that VWAP and flip it. Look like the handle is already starting to slowly commence. Oh man, did I miss the tops? Don't tell me I missed it. Oh, they didn't let it go all the way up to the top. Cause there go your cup and there go your handle. Damn, see I had the handle up here. God dang it, I already started to pull it. It's all good. You dirty MF. You dirty broad. You dirty broad you. Let me see. So what levels we need to get above so I can possibly play that on the upside on my puts. What was this? Open 39.48. Yep, right where I'm at. Okay, 39.48. So we need to crack that price point, or 39.50 if you want to round it. We're gonna need to crack that level. So I'm looking at it on my put side too. Can you share your thoughts on POET? The hell is that? POET. All right, POET. Let me go ahead and make a chart for that one real quick. Let's take a look at it real quick. Where we going? What we doing? Look like we on a downtrend setup on this bad boy. Tops right around 270s. Bottoms all the way down towards 25.70s. Down towards, what is the lows on this one? $15 itself. So you in that range. Spotted that one already. Spotted that range. So down to $15. That's gonna be your bottoms as far as right now in that range that we in on that one. All right, bam. Mid area is going to be, look like around, where's this mid area? 20, about, yep. 15. Look like it moved about damn near $5 increments almost. Let me see. 15, 20, 25. So we know for sure we need to get back above $20 to go for the upside. So that's what it looked like. These highs here. What was the high on this one? High was 2065. 2065 on that bad boy. 2065. I'm still watching my SPY, guys. Still watching my SPY. And let me adjust that one to 70. And this one, that's gonna be at tops. Green here. All right, I see the range so far. Yeah, so I got the range set up. From Thursday's movement into today. So it looked like you spiked on up on Thursday into post market, got rejected at 25.70, downtrended from yesterday's post market into today's pre-market. Intraday, you got this downtrend set up. Down towards, what is this, 18? Nope, a lot. 17. Where's this little bottom area? Make a duplicate copy. What's this little area where you bounced that? What was this low on this one? 17.12. Alright, 17.12 on that one. Bam! So, look like you're in a little. Look like you still got this downtrend bottoms. You got two sets of bottoms. You got a bottom at 17.12s and a bottom at 15. So on the short end, you need to crack 17.12, and then from there down to 15. So you got two alerts on the short end on the downside. Let's see. Got alert 1 and alert number 2, which is gonna be at $15 on the short end. Got two floors to kick. So it looked like a demand zone. So let's see something real quick. Alright, so that area will be considered your demand zone. Excuse me. So that area right here will be demand zone because you haven't cracked it yet. So that's the area those sellers gonna need to crack, which is here. Okay. Bam. Make that area green for that your bottoms and their tops red. All right, and tops red. Still watching SPY, guys. I see it still moving back up. I'm still watching. All right, and you got a demand zone and a supply zone. Make a duplicate copy of you. So your supply zone would be like right in this little area. Let me see. Bam, got it. Now you see it, Tariq? Now you see it? See your setups? See your setup? See your setup? Drew it out. Now you see your range, your setup so far. So you got like a little mid area right here that'd be in yellow, pretty much. Let's put that yellow. Booyah. So you got the bottom of the range, you got the top of the range. You can clearly see the setup on that one. So there you go, boss. Booyah. So right now you're pulling back down. Got a little down, like I said, pull back from Thursday into Friday. Watch your bottoms. If you're on the long side, you want to stay between that 15, 17 range. Back on up. 17, 65 level. Get back above that price point for that push back up towards the 24 to 25 level. Now, if you're on the short side, you want to crack below that 17.12 down to that 15, and then from there down towards the 14-ish area. So there go your setup so far. I got on that one. So there go your setup. From bottoms, 15s, tops, 25.70s, mid areas, 20.65. So there go your setup. Boom. Done. Alright. Back to SPY. So there go your setup on that one. Alright, back to SPY. Back to SPY. What we doing? What we doing? SPY. Got a little bull flag pattern setting up. I see you. I see a little bull flag pattern. Trying to get your way back up towards that 740.92. I see what you're trying to do. That little key area. I see you. I see you. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. It's like I told you, I was waiting, guys. I told you I was waiting. That's why I said I wouldn't chase it. I told you that's why I wouldn't. I'm waiting for those to, hit those levels. Let's see where we go from here. Rotating from these bottoms right back into this area right here. So if you did jump in, guys, your next key level on up, back on up is gonna be. Let's see where it could be your profit taken. I want to say 41.50 up to 42. So I say that if you jumped in on the long side, guys, I say, starting off, I say between 41 to 42. 41, 42, 41.50 starts. 41.50 to 42. Because that's where that 52-week high is located. Back to that area again. 98. Yep, back that way. Boom, boom. Boom. Wait, where's my where's my alert at? The hell? Just happened to my alert. Oh, there we go. About to say. So let's see. Let's see. Now back on top of this bad boy. Back on top of that floor. Back on top of that floor. So let's see if the true area is gonna hold. As we try to maneuver and test this area like right up here. Because you got to keep in mind, guys, you're back on top of that 740. Remember, that was the area I went in for the put. When we was underneath it. That was the area I played down. That's the area I kept watching. I was waiting on that crack underneath it. And so now you got to keep in mind we're back on top of it. So, back on top. So now support. Look like a... Is it doing what I think it's doing? Let me see. Is it doing what I think it's doing? Hold on. Let me try to map something out real quick. Hold on. Are you setting up for a channel rotation? That's what it looked like it's doing. It's setting up for a channel rotation. Jay, what you mean by that? Basically, what they may do, see how we rotated out of that range down here? They may be now trying to set the rotate this way, possibly. They're going to do a channel rotation. Remember I told you how ranges love to rotate? So we already fell out of the range down this way. Then they brought it back up. Now they may try to rotate back that way. They may. Well, they're gonna run through this little range and then break out of the range. That's your measure move. That'll be your measure move towards the upside if that's what they're doing. Where they're gonna basically make a measure move like this up here. So basically they're gonna rotate around this channel. They already rotated down. Now as they go back in the range, they're gonna try to rotate up. So I see what they're doing. I see what they're doing. They're doing a channel rotation. They're doing a channel rotation. That's exactly what they're doing. They're doing a damn channel rotation. I see what y'all doing. So as of now, I see exactly what y'all doing. Doing a damn channel rotation. So that means that, put it like this. So that means that this area, in other words, would be your bottoms for right now. Because we in this range here. So you'll be in this range, and this will be the top portion of your range. Right? And this area will be your mid area. These two, like this whole area will be like the mid area. So I'll put that yellow. So that'll be your mid area. So I know, I see what they're doing. They're trying to go for a channel rotation. They're trying to rotate it. I see what they're doing. I see exactly what they're trying to do. See, rotate right back in this little range. I'm gonna put these yellow because that's the little mid area. Bam. See? So right here's your little range right here. Bottoms. Well, did I put it too high? Or did I put it right way? Let me make sure I did that right. As far as the tops, hold on. Let me measure that out again. Just want to make sure I did that correct. Make sure I had those tops. I laid that out just right. So measure you, duplicate, and up here. Yeah, that should be about right. Yeah, that's about right. Alright. So that's your range right now, guys. As of now. Bottoms, mid area, and tops. So it looks like they may be trying to set up for a channel rotation. Again, already rotated bottoms. Now, once they go this way, they're going to be rotating this way. So that means your true area going to be possibly up here then. Towards that 744. Okay. See? Told you. I knew what they're doing. Channel rotation. You dirty MFers. I knew y'all was up to something. You damn channel rotators. So they rotated this way, down. Now they try to rotate that way up. I caught on to what they was doing. I caught on to what y'all doing. Y'all think y'all slick. Because all they doing, like I said, is just trying to rotate. They doing this. I mean, they trying to rotate out of this range. Have you connect the dots? That's what they doing. That's what y'all doing. Y'all think y'all slick. Y'all think y'all slick. I see what y'all doing. Y'all ain't slick. Y'all ain't slick. I see what they're doing. I caught on to it. So let me darken out these lines here real quick. I'm gonna darken out these real quick so I can, so there'll be less lines on the chart. Less lines on the chart. And we're gonna focus on the true areas back. So once they break out of this area, they're gonna be aiming this way. They're gonna be aiming this way in this area here. Cause this area has already been done. Cause as we pull back down, your buyers bought in, then that's what caused the rotation. So right here was the demand zone. Now we're going from here. Now entering that way. So all they doing is rotating this way, guys. That's all they doing. So look like this is what they're about to do. So rotate from these bottoms to these tops. That's what it look like they're gonna do. Rotate from these bottoms to these tops. That's it. Nice little rotation. Slick asses. Let's see though. Can they get that break though? Can they get that breakthrough first? Let's see. If they get that breakthrough, then that's what they're gonna try to do. They're gonna be aiming for that 744-ish area, somewhere around that area. So if we don't break out, that means we're gonna have to endure a little bit of consolidation. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until we break out and then continue that way. I see what y'all doing, slickness. I see what y'all doing. I see what y'all doing. Y'all don't bypass me. Y'all don't bypass me. Okay, so why is doing this? Real quick. Ladies, I'm going to show you something I'm working on for you ladies. Because since y'all been doing so much love, y'all been giving me so much love. Taylor, Nadia, Alcy, Jenna, Queen, Sid, all of y'all, I created this for you guys. Tell me if y'all like it. I did this for y'all. It's on my website. We still working on it, though. Still working on it. So once you go to my website, you click on community. So community is going to have a different tab. Let me close this out. So you go to community. It's going to take you to a different spot. Right? Let me pull it down a little bit. Put it down. Okay. We still working on the social and all that. So you'll have Twitter, Facebook and all of that. So y'all don't have to go all over the place. Everything be in one place. So what you do is you'll click on Traedz Angels. Click on that. Tell me if y'all like it. For my ladies, baby. Traedz Angels. So that means we're working on wristbands, we're working on caps, we're working on shirts, Valentine's Day type stuff, Mother's Day type stuff for the ladies. That's strictly for the women. So Traedz Angels. Y'all like it? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? I was designing this for you guys. So this community or this community area is for the ladies themselves. So guys, I'm gonna be working on, so wristbands, hats, shirts, so we got a little logo too. Let me see. Go back this way. Sorry about that. Where's the hold on, let me show y'all the logo. Do I got the logo out? Let me see real quick. Hold on. You feel left out because you're a woman? You want to be a woman? You want to be a lady? You want to be a lady? No, I'm playing. Show y'all the logo real quick. So, see? Traedz Angels for my ladies. Mwah! That's going to be the logo. It's going to be on the hats, the shirts. It's for my women. For my women. Went through the design for y'all, man. I did that. So, booyah! Hope y'all like it. And then right here, that's what we're gonna be doing. The fast cash. Prize giveaways, cash giveaways, lessons. I'm still working on. You can either click home to go back to the original community channel, or you could click on JTraedz.com and it'll take you right back to the website itself. Boom. Now I added market to it. Market. It's gonna have spies, updates, economics, and earnings. And as I told you guys with the videos, all you do is click on videos. It'll bring up the most recent video. Then down here, it goes by different dates. Take Profit Tuesdays and the date. Click on that. It'll open up the video right here for you guys so y'all can watch it and so forth. What else I had? Oh, store. Oh, look, we're still working on store area too. Watch this. Bam! Look how the little store thing look. Working on all that. We're getting it together, guys. We're getting it done. We ain't playing. So I hope y'all like everything, though. I think that was everything. I mean, of course, the TRAEDathon, y'all already know. TRAEDathon, still working on all of that. Let's see. Yep, right here where it shows the updated. I gotta update the whatchamacallit. Why my picture's not showing up? Oh, it's still loading, that's why. Why is it moving so slow? Yeah, there we go. But yeah, hope y'all like it though, guys. I had to do it for the team. So yeah, everything is still in work, Queen. We're still working on all of that. Merchandise and all of that. So we're gonna be having everything ready. I'll let y'all know when it's gonna be out. I'll let you know. I got y'all. Y'all see, I got y'all, Queens. I got y'all. So, and over the weekend, we're gonna be working on the tablet and mobile version. We're gonna be working on all of that. You say, damn, Jay be playing too much. Oh, nah. Tariq, I'm gonna be working on stuff for the fellas, of course. Since I made one for the ladies, Traedz Angels, I gotta figure out, I gotta figure out something to come out for the fellas. I mean, for the fellas, just regular JTraedz stuff, of course, and team trades and all of that. Fellas, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna come up with for us. What we're gonna call our, for the fella group. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. I wasn't thinking about that because I was thinking about the women, the ladies, because gotta make the ladies feel special, man. I gotta, So yeah. So like I said, for the Traedz Angels, we're gonna be working on different things for like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, things that, where it puts focus on women, breast cancer awareness, international, what is it, Women's Day, something like that. So we gonna get it ready. So we're paying homage to all the beautiful women, man. All the wonderful moms in the world, grandmothers, aunts, So right now, guys, we broke out of the range. Now across to the upside. Now in this little channel. So it looked like they may set up a channel rotation from these bottoms and now rotate to the top of that range. So they may go for an upper rotation this way. So as they break out, they may be setting up to do this. So keep that on watch. So that means you can go as high as damn near 744. So if they setting up for that channel, that range breakout, that's what they may be doing. I mean, you gotta give me some ideas, T. Like, you gotta give me some ideas, like what names like we come up for the fellas. Like, I don't like what could we come up with? I don't know. Cause I mean I thought of just something pretty for the women. I mean I just thought of something pretty for them, and I don't know. I stuck with it. Cause I thought it was just like a beautiful gesture to the women. But for the fellas, I mean, we're gonna come with something aggressive. We're gonna go the opposite way. I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out though. I have to figure it out. Primo can probably come up with something. So I'm gonna show y'all the picture. Oops. So yep, this is for the women right here, guys. This is for the ladies. Traedz, so y'all can see it bigger. See the angel wings I got? Ooh, and then you got the Traedz Angels. I just like, I mean, it's just beautiful, man. I like that. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. That's a beautiful setup. I like that. I can't stop looking at it. Now y'all can see it up close. See it up close. Got an angel in the back, holding the globe. Got the little logo, Traedz Angels, and then you know your boy representing too. I'm saying, just saying. But yeah, T, man, come on with a fellas, come up with a name for us, man. Yeah, I mean, cause I didn't think of something, cause you ladies are beautiful, man. I mean, I'm always calling y'all queens, beautiful. I mean, and like I said, we're gonna have wristbands, cause this is what this is when I was doing music, so I had wristbands off my music album, which was Louisiana made. That's why they got the shape of Louisiana, and it says made. That's why I got these wristbands. I wear these like almost every day. So I'm gonna create something for like JTraedz. Was gonna have the website and everything. These like I said, when I had my old rap career, I had the website. I had the logo of my album, which was Louisiana made. If I can show you, bam, it's a wristband. See, I have another one. What's the other one I had? They had the JTraedz. What's the JTraedz wristband at? See, I had the JTraedz wristband. See, when I was doing my rap names, J in blue, lyrics in black. So I'm gonna do something like that. Get that idea to do for JTraedz now. So come up with different colors. I had purple, I had pink, I had all of those. So we're gonna be doing that for the JTraedz community. So I got y'all. So we're gonna get it out. So I'm gonna do a Team Traedz one, and I'm gonna do a JTraedz one. So if you don't want to represent the JTraedz, you can represent the Team Traedz. So everything to, let me see, where's the Team Traedz logo? This is something else I was working on long time ago. Don't judge me. I was just coming up with different things back then. So I was working on a Traedz Fitness too. So I was working on a Traedz Fitness. I'm gonna probably redo that. That was to not only focus on trading, but also focus on fitness. To keep people, like we'll do exercises, we'll do something where we'll work together, work on our health. That was something I was working on back then too. Traedz Fitness. I was working on a gang of stuff back then. Of course, the foundation, Traedz Foundation, the JTraedz Foundation. That's this one right here. So I had the Traedz Foundation, still got that up. So that's where the majority of your donations go to, is the Traedz Foundation. That goes towards helping kids back to school, for them for supplies, uniforms, and so forth. Christmas gifts, Thanksgiving dinners for the homeless and stuff like that. What else? And this is the little full logo. We got the little kids and the trees. So yeah, so we still working on a lot of stuff. We still trying to get things up and running, man. We still trying to get things up and running. We got a lot of things to present. In the future. Team Traedz, of course. Where is it at? We're gonna be having that as well. Team Traedz. We're gonna be having the logos for Team Traedz itself, and so forth. So yeah, we're gonna be rocking and rolling, man. A lot of ideas. I think that was all of them. Was it all of them? Yeah, I think it was. Yep. So I got a lot of stuff in the mix, guys. I got a lot of stuff in the mix, man. So we working on it. We working. So let me go to the call side. I might try to go for a call. Let me see. Thank you so much, Queen. Like I said, I'm doing this for y'all. Because I want us to have fun. Like I don't want it to just be because I know a lot of times people just be. Yeah, because I do a lot of my own designs, because I started in computer graphic designs. So even with my website, I do my own stuff. I started coding. I didn't even go to school to code. I learned from watching YouTube. HTMLs, PHPs, JavaScripts, CSS, all these type of things. I learned from YouTube, and I was coding my own websites and everything. I learned from scratch. It took a while to learn, but I did it. But yeah. And then when you start to do it by yourself, you don't have to pay nobody to do it. Because a lot of people trying to, come to me, man, I can do this, do that. And I got it. I can do it myself. I got it. Nope. I can do it myself. Alright, let me see. Can I play the long side now? Let me see what I can do. Let me see. Now that the buyers have it, which way, how can I play this? And I'm going to still do the puts later, but, right now, we're long buys right now. Well, I'm long buys. So let me see, how could I get in on this one? On this one. And we can get, I might can play off of this. If we get a breakout, I can play off that candle break. If it goes for a candle breakout out of this range, I can play the next candle coming up and try to go for that one. I'm gonna see what's about to happen. I know we here, still pushing. Go for a little quick scalp, get my account into the 150s. Because like I said, I hate Fridays, but make the best of it. Do what you got to do. And like I said, we're gonna and on my website we're gonna have the little spin the wheel when we start doing the cash prize giveaways. We're gonna start doing that too. So like I said, there's a lot of things in the work though. And then the store area where you can go to, like for the one-on-ones and stuff. So you can either go to the Patreon for the one-on-ones, or you can go straight to the website for the one-on-one. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna be working on a lot of stuff though, guys. We're gonna have a lot of stuff in the works. But I already know Austin, I'm excited about the Traedz Angels. I'm excited too. And we also may do like a little cash prize giveaway for the Traedz Angels, just for like the ladies themselves, for like all women can so y'all have y'all moment, so y'all can just have y'all little day, y'all little prize giveaway day, just based on just women in general. So guys, don't you fake and act like a woman. Y'all better not do that. Don't y'all make a fake profile, putting your mom picture or somebody on there, acting like don't do that. Don't do that. Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare. Let those women have their moment. So how can I play this towards the upside? I know we pulling back, still a little overextended. I'm not getting on that one just yet. I'm watching this candle. I'm watching, ladies. I'm watching. All right, pulling back. There we go. Let me see how can I play this. Let me see how this is about to set up. What about if I identify as a woman to be what? You see, you see, you see, you see, you see. You see, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. I'm not even going that route. I'm not even doing that. I'm not. Nah, you ain't about to trap me on that one. Nope. How you gonna do that, T? That's foul, man. You foul for that. That's crazy. You foul for that one. You foul. You foul as hell for that one. Don't put me in that box. All right. That was cold-blooded on that. Can't believe he did. I can't believe he just did that. Oh, you trying to get me in trouble. You trying to get me in all types of trouble. Boy, you cold as ice. You cold as ice. Oh, shoot, my phone down to 1%. Oh, shoot, I got to charge my phone. Damn, my phone about to die already. Somebody called me? Oh, my grandmother called. Oh, shoot, I didn't even know she called me. Damn, hold up. Shoot. Guys, give me a minute. Let me go charge my phone because my grandmother just called. Hold on, I didn't even know she called. Hold on, guys, give me a minute. I'll be right back. Keep everything on watch, guys. Again, we're in this range. Longs, we want to break above that 741.98. Again, round it off, 742. For that push up to 744, that'll give you a $2 push to the upside. Shorts, you want to stay underneath this 742 and go for that pullback down. But look like we may be setting up for a possible rotation, but keep it on watch. Right now, we're in this box. Let me charge my phone real quick to see what my grandmother wanted, and I'll be right back, guys. Give me a minute. I did not know she just texted me. I feel bad now. Be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna let my phone charge real quick. I'm gonna stay on till about, what time is it? 12 o'clock. I'm gonna stay on till about, cause I know it's Fridays. You know I don't like to stay on long on Fridays. I'm gonna stay on till about, I'll give it to about 1:30. I'll stay on to 1:30. 1:30, then I'm out. Cause like I said, Fridays, cause I don't want you guys staying, you know, and gambling, especially if you already made money Monday through Thursdays. You know, cause I try to prevent y'all from doing anything else. You know, throwing your money back into the market. So. I'm trying to get myself situated in this chair, man. This dang pad on my back. So let's see if they're going to go for this breakout of this range up toward this area up here for a channel breakout. Possible channel breakout to the upside of that range. So I think that's what they're going to do. Because if we go back a little bit, we ain't got that breakout out of that range yet on the upside. We got it on the downside, but not the upside. Because even if you start at 930 this way, you ain't got that breakout yet on the upside. So again, you got it on the downside underneath, but we haven't got no push up that way yet. But let's see if they're gonna try to go for it. So I'll be here. I'll stay on the 1:30, guys. 1:30, then I'll be out, so I can get off my back and go lay down. Plus, I gotta call my grandmother anyway. So we'll be ready for next week. So guys, I will be updating everything over the weekend on the website, on Patreon, putting out the earnings on Discord and everything else. So watch your range. Remember, as I told you, it was going to possibly be in a range once we got back in this little area that was going to see a little bit of consolidation. But you still are back on top of the 9MA. 9MA is still coasting on up still. So you still got that. So it look like a little wedge could be forming soon. A little wedge. So we'll see. I'm just trying to, I'm not jumping in just yet, not until we break out of this range. Whether it's on the upside or the downside. I'm gonna just see where we go. See where we go, Not touching it right now. My hands is off the trigger right now. Not touching it. Not yet, not yet. You still got NVIDIA back on top of 228, still in that range. So for my NVIDIA traders, don't forget about that. Google, still got this little downtrend setup. It's still a little weak. Still a little weak on that one. Got a little downtrend set up on that bad boy. See when the video. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take off this trend line. Focus on the range on that one. Starting to pull back a little bit. SPY pulling back right down to that 740.92. Because I wonder if they're gonna try to set up like a bear. Either I want to see first if the longs are gonna try to set up a bear trap first. A fake out, pull back, and then buy back up. I want to see if they're gonna do that. It all depends on how this candle gonna close out first, though. Let me see if that candle closes above and stay above that price point. They're gonna try to set up a trap. But if we close back underneath, then so let's just see on how we about to close out on this candle. Because right now you pulling. Let me see if they're not about to set up a trap right here. Where they're gonna try to pull and then buy right back up. Let me see if a trap is not about to commence right here. I know we pulling, but let's just see. Let's see if it's not a trap, a bad trap. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Be patient, be patient. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if this not about to be a trap, a setup. Where they're gonna buy right back up to the upside. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Now we stay out of this channel then. I mean, cool. That means that 740.92 is going to go back to resistance if we close underneath. Now, if they buy back up and close above that price point, that means that they still setting a hold to go to the upside. I got 1 minute. So 1 minute left before this candle closes. So let's see what's going to happen. Either we're going to close underneath that price point or above that price point. So let's see what's about to happen. To, determine on what's going to happen next. How we can set ourselves up. But what I'm thinking is they're going to try to buy back up. Like what they're doing. They'll buy back up. Again, longs, your goal is to close back above that 740.92. Shorts, stay underneath it. Look at that pullback. Jeez Louise. Holy crap. Well, let's see. No, because it's about to gap down. It's too late. They got only about 5 seconds. Yep, it's about to gap down. About to gap down. About to gap down. And yep, they didn't kick them out of the channel. So nope, they couldn't get that. They couldn't get it. They couldn't go. They couldn't get the breakout. So nope, that's a no go. That's a no go. So now he done fell back out of the range underneath. So now, could it be set up for a bull trap? Now could they be trapping buyers underneath and then pulling back to go for another leg down? All right, well, okay. I was trying to give the longs the benefit of the doubt, but hey, well, I was trying. I tried to give them the benefit of the doubt. I tried to. Oh, I see what they setting up too on the short side. Let me see. I forgot to look at my chart. Now I'm looking back at it. Make sure it ain't frozen again. No, it's moving. Oh, it looked like setting up a bear flag. Ooh. Setting up a possible bear flag. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see a bear flag setting up. Come on now. Where's my, What the hell is my thing for the day? Come on. I hate these charts. I don't like the way they move sometimes. All right, there we go. All right, so 740.92, watching that. What we got left on this candle? 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Market been sideways. Look like we may be setting up for a bear flag. So it looked like we may be about to be going on the next leg down. Possibly. If those buyers don't buy back up and go for a strong push, this could be a bull trap back down that way now. So I do see a bull flag on the put side while I see a bear flag on the call side. So I do see that. I do see that. So watch that 740.92 level, guys. Let's see what's about to happen on that one. On that level. I'm watching that area very carefully. I'm watching to see what's going to take place at that 740.92. Because I know right now it's trying to break above it. Let's see what's about to happen. How we're going to close out. Let's see how it's going to close. See? The only way the buyers can save that play if they get back on top of this. Come on, man. They messing me. This sideways crap killing me. Oh, I see what they also did too. They bounced off this damn trend line. They did a trend line bounce. Man, I was. But they trying to find every which way to try to. I see what they man. All right, buy still have it. Buy still have it. Buy still have it. So far, I think buy still have it. 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 I was gearing up too. I was waiting on it. They got right back on top. They're trying to go for a harder push. I was about to. God, I was waiting. I was waiting. I was waiting. I was so waiting. Oh, my fingers was itching. Yep. So it looked like they bound right back on up. They came down off that trend line bounce, and then right back on top. So watch this area though. Watch this area. Watch this area. Watch this area. Because they keep playing around at 740.92. They definitely keep playing around 740.92. So it is a trap. It is a Alright, so the bull trap is commencing then. Okay. So they did trap them back underneath that price point. See how they keep trapping? See how they keep trapping them underneath? They keep trapping those buyers right here. Every time buyers go up, those sellers keep trapping them. See, they're trying to make sure those buyers stay underneath that price point of 740.92. Right here. They're trying to trap them underneath that range. I see what they're doing. I see what y'all doing. I see what y'all doing. Got 1 minute left. Yep, 1 minute left. You're still underneath that price point. Yep. Still underneath it. Still underneath it. Still underneath it. So it is a possible bear flag setting up then. See, buyers tried to go back up and they couldn't hold it. Because I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to get this candle to close on top of it. But it's too late. See, 30 seconds, I don't think they're going to do it. Let's see. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. They're gonna have to push up within 30 seconds. Back in that price point. If not, it's gonna be a trap. You see, you notice how they're doing it right before that candle about to close? You notice they're doing that right before that candle close out? They trying to set up a trap. They trying to trap each other right in that area. Nah, damn, buyers got it. I think the buyers gonna have it. Man, the buyers don't want to give up. Damn, I think they got it. I think they may have it. Let's see. I think they got it. I think they got it. Let's see what the buyers gonna do. I think we closed right in time, right in the nick of time. What was the close on this one? Yep, 40.96, right above it. Let's see what's about to happen. Let's see now, because I think that they set up a trap right in the nick of time, right here. Let me see what's about to happen. This is crazy. This little area right here. I think they setting up a bad trap now. Now they reversing it. Good Lord. I think they're trying to reverse it. The buyers are trying to reverse it. They're trying to reverse it. Let's see. Damn, I was so ready. Yep, they're reversing it. They're reversing it. That's why I had to pay close attention to what they was doing. Right in this little area, I was paying close attention to what they were doing. I was like, wait a minute. So they did reverse it. You little smart. Okay. Touche though. Touche on the buyers. Touche on the buyers. They set it up just in time. And y'all notice they set it up just in time right at that price point. Y'all notice that? They bought back up and closed it right in the nick of time right here. So let's see if now they're going to try to set a bad trap. But they're going to trap shorts and then buy right back on up, get back on top of that range and flip it. Let's see if that's what they're going to do. Yep. Yep. That's exactly what they're doing. So I had to pay close attention to that little area. I had to pay close attention to that area. I was like, well, let me see what they're about to do. Okay, it was a battle right there. It was definitely a battle. But the buyers somehow survived it. So far, they survived it. So watch that 740.92 level. Watch that 740.92 level. Because right here look like that's what they're going to be trying to set up the traps. I am in California by... Huh? I am in California by Disney. Huh? What the hell? What? You confused me on that one just now, Nadia. What that mean? I'm confused. Yep, so damn, so no shorts yet. No shorts yet. No shorts yet. Right now, buyers have it. Buyers have it. Buyers have it. I saw that. I saw that setup. Oh, I saw that setup. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Queen. I apologize. I'm sorry. So buyers have it. Buyers have it. They set up that trap. So they wound up bouncing off of the down off of the trend line, and then they bought right back up, and just in the nick of time, right back above that price point. Cause look, lower shadow, and look what the body of the candle is, right on top. They set that trap up perfect. Oh, they set that trap up. That was a perfect trap. They did that. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta give them respect. They did that. Definitely gotta give them respect on that. City boy, what's up, boss? Yep. They got right back on top. Yep, right back in that range. So sellers tried to pull them underneath, and then buyers found a way to maneuver their way right back in that range, and bought right back in time on this candle. And now this candle right here, that's why I'm watching to see if that's gonna be that trap candle, where it looked like a fake out pullback, and they'll buy back up off of that candle, off of 740.92, and start to reverse it. So let's see. So right here should be like that little trap candle, where it looked like it was gonna do a fake out pullback and then get right back on top, trap those shorts, and then could proceed back to the upside. And that's why I say that little area, boy. I knew that area was gonna be. So that's why I say, guys, always pay close attention to detail, man. To always put yourself in the right side of things. Girl, don't put all your number out in front of everybody. What you doing? Yeah, you don't want everybody having your number. Don't put it. Yeah, don't do that. You're gonna have everybody calling you. Don't do that. Yeah, you gotta understand. You got people viewing your number. Yeah, but still, I'm up to 46 views on this. Total. But yeah, man, you don't know who watching your stuff. Let me see if I can delete that, because I don't know about nobody seeing your number. I want to help you out. I don't want nobody seeing your stuff. Yeah, let me delete that. Yeah, just to save. Yeah, I'm just looking out for you. Yeah, but I'm saying, but y'all talking on my chat, and you put your number out in the chat, and anybody can watch that. Anybody can see that. You know, they can be looking out anywhere. Yeah, don't do that. I can see you doing it in Discord, but live stream, anybody can be. Anybody randomly can just come to my live stream and see your. Wait, did you? Yeah, like especially if you, they can see that. That's why I took it off, because I ain't want nobody, because your number not to be out there. It's probably gonna be out there now because it's recorded on the live stream. Yeah. Because now they still gonna see it, because all they gotta do is run back my live stream, they can still see it. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, definitely don't do that, man. Put your number out there. Man, you'll have random people calling your phone. I'm just trying to look out for you, Nadia. I'm just trying to look out for you. I'm an old New Orleans man, just jumped out. Tell her. What's up, boss? What's up, boss? Yeah, no problem. Yeah. I just want to make sure I'm always going to protect you. Of course. Yeah, I want to make sure you safe. Make sure nobody don't try nothing crazy. Yeah, because you put your number out there in the live stream, anybody can see it. Even people that's not subscribed to me can see it. Now, just because they can't type in it because it's only subscribers only, they can still see the chat box. They can still see it on YouTube. So yeah, just be careful on that. there go that channel rotation we talked about, guys. There go the channel rotation. There go the channel rotation. There go that channel rotation. We just talked about it. All right, so this should be the possible breakout candle. Where that one should be trying to break out above 742 and close. Let's see if they're gonna break out though. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Yeah, I mean, I seen a number pop up. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, whoa. Yeah, don't put that out in chat. I mean, because like I said, that's going out to random people. I mean, that's why, I mean, when it comes down to numbers, yeah, you do a direct message, a DM, but out in the public like that, anybody can have your number now. I mean, they can just go on my live stream and rewind it back and still see it. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, definitely don't do that. You don't have different people blowing your phone up. Hell, even women. Shit. You don't know who can take that number. Yeah, don't do that. Hell no. I mean, email address ain't bad because you can block people on email. But phone numbers, you gotta go through changing your number. You gotta go through all that trouble now. That's too much. Protect yourself at all costs, queen. See the little ascending triangle pattern, still trying to build his way back up. Little bit of a build. Then go ahead and do away with this downtrend setup. We don't need that right now. Focus on this little downtrend we got setting up right in front of us. Building this way right back on up. Right in this little range, back and forth. And as I told you guys, they're trying to go for a channel rotation up that way, possibly. Keep that on watch. Cause once they break out of this range, they're aiming this way. Look at all this space and opportunity to fill us up towards the upside. So think of a gap fill in a sense. Think of a gap fill. Yeah, so because I gotta see my grandmother need me to help her today, so that's why so I'm gonna be getting off soon, just in case. Make sure she's okay. She's okay. So yeah, guys, in about 30 minutes, I'm gonna be heading on out. So if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, guys, do feel free to reach out to me. And like I said, guys, if I have gained your respect and your support, please do your boy a favor. Go to my YouTube channel at JTraedz. Smash that sub button. If you already subbed, you already know what to do, guys. Hit the like buttons. Run them up because it goes a long ways. It helps with the algorithms. Help the channel, expand, where we can grow our community and get bigger and bigger. We can help more and more people. If you're on Twitch, follow or subscribe to avoid the ads. So thank y'all for everything that y'all do, for sure. Definitely appreciate you guys. So right now, wedge is getting tighter and tighter. Back in this little area. Watch that setup. It looks like they setting up to do it. They gearing up to do something. Keep it on watch. Because if you got a 0 DTE and you on the put side, yeah. I wouldn't be doing that right now. Not right now. Got Google trying to go for a downtrend breakout. What is that? 397? Yeah, 397. Gotta get that break at 398. Got Nvidia still waking up, 228. One of the target areas. I got two areas. I got 230, 232. So if you notice, guys, look at y'all. Look at all your blue chip stocks waking up. So why you think? So that's what I'm telling you. Look towards the upside versus the downside right now, because these stocks are still holding. Nvidia still holding. Google still holding. A lot of them still holding. So yeah, so I wouldn't be looking towards a put just yet. Not yet. I mean, you had it earlier, but now that's out the way. So now buyers are, coming in. Buyers are definitely coming in now. So be careful on that, trying to short it right now. The shorting right now, I wouldn't do that. I would not be trying to short right now. Don't do it. Don't short right now. Not until we hit those key levels, and we'll see where we go from there. But right now, they're still trying to build their way up. Slowly building their way up. And then you already know how those uptrends, how that works. It's only a small window of opportunity for a short on an uptrend. Same thing on a downtrend. It's only a small window of opportunity on a call. So be very, very, very careful on that. Whenever you see uptrends, you want to go with the trend, not against it. So right now, building our way up, waiting for that break of that 41.98. Again, rounded off 42. A little overextended, little bit. 9MA still holding on up, still coasting it. Because like I said, I think that the areas that I think so far is going to be 42, 44. 42, 44. Somewhere like that. Just start it off, get the ball rocking and rolling. 42, 44. Because you got to think about the rotation out to the upside. I mean, like I said, as I mentioned, guys, look at all the space and opportunity toward the downside from that 740.92 all the way down towards 739. Look at all that space and opportunity here, right? So think about it on the upside. Look at all the space and opportunity on the upside of that range. So that's what I'm telling you. Shorts, be careful right now. Until you get a major sell-off candle, you know, a huge candle to come in and crack back below with a strong pull, you know, pulling you out of this range down, then yeah. But right now, uptrend is still holding, range is still holding, so everything's still pointing up. Nvidia is still going up. You still got Google moving up. So right now, still, you know, buyers are definitely stepping in. So be careful doing that. Be careful trying to short something you know you shouldn't. That's all I'm saying. Be careful on that. Just be careful. Be careful. Because you know me, I ain't going to tell you things to hurt you. If anything, I'm going to tell you things to help you. So let's see what this level is right here. What is that? Almost 4150? 4150 level? 4150, 4150, 4150. What was this? Open 57. Let me see. Oops, put the wrong. Gonna put a small little area right here. 4157. It's like right in the spot, right where we at, right there. Right there. So that means, put it like this. I'll put it to you like this. If they can get above that 4157 level, they're gonna use these two areas for support. I'm gonna tell you right now, they're gonna create another trap right here. Once they get above and claim this area, they're gonna utilize that for support, and then they're gonna utilize this for support. So you're gonna have like two little areas for a possible bear trap. Where this area, where these buyers gonna try to trap those shorts, right here. They're gonna pile in and then go. They're gonna. So watch those areas. Watch those areas. Watch it. Just watch it. But they may try to set up a little demand zone. They're gonna try to utilize that to build up. Let's see what happens. So it looked like what they may try to set up to do, they're gonna use again, get back on top of this, then get back on top of here. They're gonna utilize like these two platforms, these two floors here. That's what it looked like they want to do. That's what it looked like. So after they pull back, let's see, because you are getting overextended. So after we do pull back, let's see if they're gonna try to buy back up. Let's see what they're gonna do. What time we got? This candle just opened too. So let's see if this candle gonna be another little fake out where it's gonna do a fake out pullback and then get bought back up. Let's see. Right back on top of that 4157. Let's see if this ain't gonna be the little bear trap candle. When they do a fake out pullback and then trap those shorts and then go right back up. So let's see what's about to happen. Because if y'all think about it, y'all have like a little, somewhat of a little wedge in between the 9MA and that 200, where it's like you in between these two right here, where you'll go from these indicators up to that indicator. So just pay close attention to detail. Close attention to detail. But watch that 741.57 to see if they're gonna buy back on top of it. That means if they do, that was a trap, a bear trap. It was a fake out pullback. Now let's just see. We got about 4 minutes, almost 3 minutes in to go. 3 minutes. Oh man, y'all can see my Let me pull this thing down. I didn't realize you could see it. All right. Whew. Trying to get my back good to go. All right, let's see what they about to do. Let's see. Let's see if they're gonna buy back up. Buy back up right above that area. Let's see. I want to see if it's gonna be a bad trap. A bad trap back up. I know we still pulling. Still pulling. So I'm trying to figure out what they about to do. I just want to see how this candle about to close. Because right now, I'm trying to see if this buy is going to take advantage of this. This little pullback to start to buy back to the upside real quick. I just want to see if that's what they're going to do. All I'm doing is watching the close. Watching the close to see how this candle is going to close. That's all I'm doing. Watching to see how we're going to close. Either below. See how they keep trying to ricochet it back up? See what I mean? What I told you. Bad trap. Possible bad trap. I'm just trying to see if they're going to close back on top after they finish buying back up. If they're going to get the body of that candle back on top of it. I just want to see if this trap going to commence. If it commences, I'm gonna try to go for it. That's why I want to see what it's going to do real quick. Are they going to buy back up? Come on, buyers. Prove it to me. Prove it. I mean, you're trying to. They trying to buy their way back up. They trying. I want to see them get back on top. So far, bad trap is commencing. It's definitely trapping those shorts right now. Definitely trapping shorts. That's why I tell you gotta pay close to see how they buying back up. Notice that candle very carefully, guys. The body, not the wick, the body, the rectangle part. Notice that body of the candle. Gonna see that? See? See what I mean? See how it's getting back on top of it? Let me see. There. Let's see. Sellers are trying to pull them. Buyers are trying to stay on top. Oh, my son just texted me. God dang, everybody calling me. Shoot. I'm missing everybody call. Let me get my... Watch that level. Look, what I told you. Bam. Told you. Boom. Told you. I told you. That trap. I told you. That's going to get right back on top of what? I said, let's see if this is going to be a bad trap candle. Bad trap candle. Right back on top. There you go. There go your flip. There go your flip. Flip. I got to call them in a few. Shoot. Missed their calls. Well, how many more shares? I mean, let me see. Wait for this pullback. Shoot. All right. Did we close out? Yeah, there we go. I'm trying to see, can I get a pullback, like a little bit of a little pull? There we go. I want to get back down real quick. All right, come on. Pull back. I think I missed it. Did I miss it? Shoot, I missed it. Damn it. It was too quick. Damn it, I think I missed the candle. Let me see what, God dang it, I was trying to get these low. All right, here we go, still pulling back. Come on. Grab my order. They got me chasing now. I was trying to catch that quick pullback this way. I was trying to catch the pullback. God dang it. Shoot. I missed the pullback. Damn it, they ain't grabbed my orders. God dang it. I was trying to catch it. Damn it. I was trying to catch it. I was trying to catch the lows on that candle. I was trying to catch the lows on this one, on this candle. I was trying to catch it. It was too many buyers in the spot I was at. They didn't grab my orders, you dirty mother. Dirty bitch. I was trying to go for that 150. I was trying to catch it. So watch that level, guys. Remember what I'm talking about. I was trying to catch it. I was trying my hardest. I was trying to catch that wick of that candle. It was too many buyers thinking the same thing. They piled in. They didn't. Oh man, y'all dirty. They all thought the same thing. It was like a gang of buyers stepping in on that one. God dog, man. I tried to catch that pullback on that candle. I tried to. All right, guys, give me a minute. Let me grab my phone real quick. Keep everything on watch. I was trying. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. I tried it. Where is it at? All right, guys, be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Man, I missed that move. Oh, my God. Man. Oh, my God, I missed it. I missed it. Like I said, I couldn't get in. There was too many dang buyers. I'd have been up already. Oh, my God. Now I got to... Oh, man, it drives me nuts. And look at this. I told you guys that rotation. Rotation up. God. Oh, my God. Oh, man. I tried so hard to get in, man. The buyers wouldn't let me in. It was too quick. All right, let me see. Man. What we got left on this candle? 4 minutes. I'm trying to see what I can do. Man, this shit. Damn, I would have been up, guys, because that'd have been $40. That'd have been $40 to my account. Oh my god. It got oversaturated with so many buyers, it wouldn't even take my order. I tried to get in right. I tried to get in right on that pullback right here. It had so many buyers like piling in, they couldn't even take my order. Oh man. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. I tried it too. I tried, guys. I was trying to do it. Oh shoot, what alert did go off? What alerts I had set? How do I go back and check the alerts? What was that? I heard it go off too. I'm trying to think what it was. Where's my alert thing at? Messages? No, it's not message. Is it message? No, it's not that. Where's the thing for my alerts at on this damn thing? I checked the alert, so what just went on? I can't even. I'm not going to lie to you, Queen. I wasn't even looking. I was trying to hurry and jump off the phone with my grandmother and then hop back on here, so I wouldn't even. I was trying to rush to do everything. So I didn't even see what went off, what the alert went off. I do apologize about that. I was trying to make sure there wasn't no emergency on my grandmother end. They all called me all at the weird time. My son and my grandmother called. I had to call them both back to see and make sure they was okay. Man, no problem at all, T. No problem at all, boss. Yeah, I don't want to chase these tops. I want to see where we go. Because we still got a little bit of room to hit. I gotta see how this about to do. So now I gotta, since this other move I missed, I gotta see what this one gonna do. Man, that would have been $40 added to my account. Oh my god, I'd have been almost at 200 already. Jesus, that was some bull crap just now. No, yeah, my son, he was calling to come spend a night. And my grandmother, she wanted me to do some yard work. So I told them, I told my grandmother I'd get on that tomorrow. Yeah, I'll just make sure it wasn't an emergency. So, yep, not chasing no tops. Not chasing any tops. Not until we break above that 200-day moving average. I'm not chasing that. Not happening. And watch there in that 42.90. I'm not chasing that either. Not chasing that. Top already happened. The run already just went. I'm not chasing this. I'm gonna wait for the little pullback to see. Back down towards that 40, right down towards that 42. Damn, man, that's I can't believe that'd have been $40 added that quick. Oh my god. That'd have been what, in 5 minutes? I would have $40 in 5 minutes. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Can't believe that just happened. They wouldn't take my orders. I kept trying to get in. They kept piling up. They was piling all in like one spot. They made me miss my damn opportunity. Got on my nerves with that crap. I'd have been done. I'd have been over with. God dang, it messed me up. It just messed me up. I'd have been done my trade already. That was $40. Ah, boy, now they put me in a tough position now, because that means I'm going to either have to snake skin random this damn play to the upside or wait for the pullback. One of the two is about to happen. I got to figure out what I'm going to do. Man. No, I got to figure out what I'm going to do from here. Put me in a bind just now. They definitely just put me in a bind. Because that was the best opportunity, right? After this candle, right here was the best one. That's the one I was trying to get into. But so many damn buys piled in. They bought in. Because every time I was pressing, it wouldn't take my order. I guess too many orders was going through. Damn, they did me dirty. Damn, that was dirty. So, I'm going to try to see how I can play it from this point, guys. I'm going to see how I can play it. If it holds, I'm going to take a snakeskin Randy move on this. I'm about to play snakeskin Randy. Wish me luck. That's all I'm going to say. Wish me luck. Because I hate playing these highs. I hate playing too high up. I hate this point. I hate this area. I hate playing high areas. I can't. I just definitely put me in a worse position now. I told y'all guys be mindful of that rotation. I told y'all. I told you rotation around that range. Didn't I not? I warned y'all. Man, y'all can't say I'll be giving y'all heads up on stuff, man. It's up to y'all if y'all traded. I told y'all, watch the channel rotation. I said y'all already rotated from the bottoms. Look like we could be setting up for an upper rotation. I told you guys this. You can't say I didn't tell y'all. I told y'all with how to prepare yourselves. Now, if this is up to y'all if y'all took it. That's not on me from this point. My job is to alert you guys, to giving you opportunities, but it's up to you on pulling the trigger. That's not on me. That's on y'all. That is clearly on y'all. If y'all want to pull the trigger, pull the trigger. If not, hey, ain't nothing I can do with that one. Man, I gotta play Snakeskin Randy. Oh my God, now I gotta do Snakeskin Randy. Jeez, now they ain't put me in a worse position to chase. I mean, not chase, but buying at the tops. I don't like this. I don't like doing that because it just get more riskier. I don't like that. So I'm waiting. That's why I'm waiting. Seeing how this candle about to close out because I know what I need. I'm not chasing it. I'll wait. Once it gives me that confirmation, then cool. But other than that, just waiting on confirmation. So I'm gonna have to go in faster now, cause they messed me up on that one. They definitely messed me up on that one. Can't believe they did that. I would have been done with my trade. I'd have been out of this. I'd have been done. Cause I'd have been damn near almost up $200 going into next week. I'd have been done. We got left 1 minute. All right, 1 minute. Let me see on how they're gonna play this area up. What can I use? Let me see. Where's this high at? What is that? 42.68. I'd have been done with this crap, man. I gotta figure out this other area. Oh, I'm going to the wrong thing. That's why. All right, let me see something. How I can try to maneuver this real quick. All right, let's see. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. Cause they got like, nah, they ain't gonna go all the way back down that way. I doubt it. All right, bell. I mean, it's about to close. All right, about to close. Here we go. New candle. All right. They put me in such a worse predicament right now. All right, here we go. All right, come on, pull. All right, let me do it. Did it grab it? Still didn't grab it. It's because it's moving too fast. It's jumping too quick. That's what's messing me up. It's messing my nerve. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh man, this is insane, man. They still getting more. They did it again. Oh shoot. It's twice they did this. This is crazy. I just did it twice. It's so volatile. It's so damn volatile. They're killing me. Y'all killing me. Whew. Not even a deeper pullback, man. All right, man. Y'all, oh God, now they making it so much worse for me right now. Oh my God, they're making it so hard for me right now. Oh my God, Jesus. Nah, my nerves are bad right now. My nerves are bad because this is crazy. The video, guys, 230. Man, this damn thing is making my nerves so bad right now. Oh my God. My nerves is bad. Let me try it. They still ain't grab my orders. I did it twice just now. It's so jumpy. Like, I swear the contracts is just doing this. Oh my god. Oh my god. My nerves is bad. Should I just wait for the next candle after this red candle? Or what? Cause this is making my nerves bad right now. They did it twice. They did it twice on me. They did it twice. Twice, man. This is making my nerves so bad. It's definitely making my nerves bad. You can see they pulling. See what I mean? This is gonna be tough. Cause it's so overextended. That's why it's making me paranoid. It's overextended off that 9 MA. Oh my god, this is just the worst right now. Oh god, this is crazy. Oh, this is so crazy. My nerves is completely just. Now, if they do a hard pullback, it'll make me feel better. Like, I can do a harder pullback. I'll do that. Cause that'll make me feel better. Cause, oh my god, this is making my nerves so bad right now. All right, what time it is? 2 minutes. Let me see how this candle gonna close out. Oh my god, this is making my nerves bad. They missed me twice. It was so rapid. Alright, that's a good thing. Alright, good thing I waited. That's a good thing I waited. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, they made my nerves bad. Alright, let me see how this candle gonna close out. Yeah, they definitely made my nerves bad just now. Alright, cool. Nah, look like we on. Let me see if they're gonna buy back up real quick. Let me see. There's a certain area I'm trying to see if they're gonna buy back up on. Got about 30 seconds. 30 seconds to see. Alright, 30 seconds to see if they're gonna buy back up. Get back on top of the 200-day moving average real quick. Alright, let me see. Because it was so rapid, man, it threw me off. Let me see if I'm gonna have a better situation now. Let me see if this one's gonna be a little bit better. A little bit, kind of give me a little, close below a little bit. Trying to hold it, what area are they trying to use? They're trying to use a certain area right now, these highs. Is it that? I'm gonna look at that 4250 real quick. I'm gonna look at 4250. I'm gonna look at 4250 real quick. Because there's a certain area right in this area, because that's why I said I didn't want to buy it to the top. I'm trying to see either between that 4250 or back up between that 4268. I'm just trying to see, guys. I'm just trying to play this smart. I'm trying to play this very smart before I leave. Because I know I'm about to soon head on out. But I just want to see something real quick. I want to get they're starting to pull back down. All right, let's see. What area are y'all trying to use up here? What area is it that y'all trying to use? Calls. I was trying to go for calls, I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to go for calls still. I was trying to see if, because we still haven't hit that top yet. We still haven't hit that top. We still haven't hit the top yet. Because I know it's the area it's pulling down to. I'm trying to see what is it. What level are you trying to use? Is it? They're trying to use something. They may pull all the way back down to that range, but it's somewhere. Okay, I'm trying to see where those buyers gonna step in at. I know it's the area they're trying to maneuver. is an area they trying to use. I know they up to something. What is that, 28? Which area are y'all trying to use? I know y'all trying to set up something for this next possible leg up. If they do buy back up, let me see what they're gonna do. All right, here we go, pulling back down to that to the whatchamacallit. Let's see if they're gonna create a bigger buy-in opportunity back up. Let's see. I'm watching. It's two different levels I'm trying to watch. Basically like the floor wise. Let's see. What area are y'all trying to use? Because I know because I know right here, buyers gonna try to use this area. From here, I'm trying to see what they're gonna try to go back up to next. So I'm just trying to pinpoint it. What's gonna be next on this bad boy? What's gonna be this next area? What's gonna be next? All right, I see them buying back between those two areas. Okay. Okay. 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes. Yep, they buying back up. Slowly buying back up. Slowly. What area exactly are you using? Trying to use back up. Where you at? Well, I know for sure 42.50 for sure. Let me see. I'm gonna look at 42.50. Are they gonna buy back on top of that one? Cause yep, 42.50. All right, 42.50. 42.50 back up. Okay, 42.50 back up. All right, so 42.50 up to 42.50 for sure. So they created a big, massive bear trap. I was just trying to figure out where it was gonna try to stop at. I think 42.50 up to that 42.68. So they are buying back up. Okay, they are buying back up. It's like in between those two areas. I see it. Got 1 more minute left, so let me see where they're about to stop at. So 42.50 is gonna be one for sure. 42.50 is gonna be one area for sure. Okay, 42.50. Then from 42.50, they need to get back on top of 42.68. If they're about to go for it. If they're about to go for it. That's why I'm just trying to see what they're about to do. Hold on, I'm just trying to see. So 42.50. Okay, that's one. All right, got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I'm watching this 42.50. They're gonna close on top. I just want to make sure. I just want to see. I just want confirmation real quick. 42.50. 10 seconds. Damn near 10 seconds. 42.50 ain't it? 42.50 ain't it? Oh, not still pulling. What area are y'all using? I told you I'm watching this setup. I told you I'm watching this area very. So that be candle number 3. Where's candle number 3 gonna close at? All right, candle number 3. Where we gonna close at on you? It's somewhere in this area. I'm telling you, somewhere in this little spot. It's somewhere in this little spot. I'm trying to pinpoint it. Gotta be back above that 42.68. It gotta be back up. It gotta be somewhere in that area. I think this candle gonna try. To close back above 42.68. I think. That's why I want to see what it's gonna do real quick. I'm talking about that green candle. I think that green candle gonna try to close above, like around 42.68. I just want that confirmation real quick. Off this green candle real fast. I want to see if they got enough push to do it. Let's see. Come on. I should have caught out. I ain't gonna lie. What I should did was catch those bottoms. That's what I should have did. Those very bottoms. That's what I should have caught. Right down towards that 41.98, 42 level. I should have caught those bottoms first. Should have caught those. All right, so 42.50 still. Okay, 42.50 down. What are y'all up to, or what are y'all trying to go? Where's this candle trying to go? Number 3 candle. Where's number 3 candle? The only thing I can place at this time, guys, is the close on this one right here. The close. To see if that candle gonna flip off of that candle's close. It's the only thing I can see. I'm just watching very carefully. That's the only thing. I'm trying to use every maneuver to my ability. Every maneuver to my ability. I'm trying to see if this candle gonna flip. If this candle gonna change. I'm trying to see where that red to green may come in at. Like a red to green move. That's what I'm watching. That's what I'm watching. If we're gonna get a red to green move coming up soon somewhere. I'm just trying to figure out where at though. Like a red to green. Where's this candle gonna close at? Got 3 minutes left, huh? 3 minutes. Let me see if we're gonna get back on top of this candle's close and flip. Get back on that candle's close and flip. Let me see if can we flip on this 3rd candle. Yep, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, alright. Alright, green candle flip. Just like I was anticipating. Alright, right at that little area. Right where that close is at on that candle. Right there. Okay. What was that close at? 43? Yep, perfect. Alright, let me see. I'm trying, Taylor. Hold on. I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay. I'm watching these little areas, man. This is, I'm trying to pinpoint. I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to see if the buy's going to do it. I want the confirmation. All right, got 2 minutes left. So that one should be holding. That one should be trying to hold and going back up. Right back on top, right where that candle's close is at. So I ain't got in yet. Oh, let me see what they'll do. This is crazy. 1 minute left. I mean, if I don't get it, I don't get it. But I'm trying to pinpoint what the buyers are trying to do right now within this minute. I'm trying to put every thought process in mind. Also, I want to see if they're gonna hold it. If they're gonna hold it, if not, bump it. I mean, it's on Fridays. I don't really gamble on Fridays. I don't gamble anyway, but I don't really like trading on Fridays. Because I know we're still holding above the 9 EMA. 9 EMA is still holding. So that's why I'm just trying to see if those buyers going to take advantage of, these areas. Because we still haven't hit that 744 yet. We still haven't hit 744 just yet. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Because you do got somewhat of like a bull flag pattern setting up. Think about this, Taylor. If you put all these green candles together, this makes one big engulfing green candle. Right? That'll give you a bull flag pattern. If you put all these candles together, that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that'd be almost like an hourly candle. It's almost like an hourly candle. Let me see how it look on that 1 hour. So it should show like a bull flag pattern on there then. On the hourly, right? No, it ain't showing on that one. I mean, you can see what it's doing though. You can clearly see what it's doing, but man, what time frame was that I seen? Because, I mean, you do got a bull flag pattern possibly setting up, like, right here. I mean, I see the big setup. Like, here you got a flag. I'm just trying to pinpoint where that damn flag is. It's like, right, got to be somewhere in this area. Right here. Got to be. It got to be. It got to be. Right here, right where they bouncing at. Yep, found it. Woo! I knew I was going to find it somewhere. I was trying to pinpoint where it was at. Like, I was trying to pinpoint where that flag was at. The flag. Trying to see if they're working on like a 2-legged pull-up. I was trying to pinpoint where that flag was at. That's why I was just trying to. So one of the main areas I know I want to see is get above 742.50 up to that 742.90. Let me see. There's 2 specific areas we need to get on top of to ensure that. So I want to see if this candle is going to squeeze and close to that area I need. So this is what I'm waiting on now, guys. I'm waiting on this now. Now I'm waiting on the build up back to the upside. Now I'm waiting on it. So there go your flag. There we go. See? Patience, baby. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a damn virtue, baby. Woo! Patience, patience. All right, let's see. It's all about patience. All about patience now. All right, let's see this. Meta, what I told you. What I told you on Meta, guys. And I bet $5 y'all wasn't listening to me on Meta. What I told you on Meta. Didn't listen. 615, 620. I told you. I told y'all watch Meta because it likes to go rapid moves. Y'all see my line? I said as long as 615 holds, look for that push up to 720. My alert just went off. I told y'all. Y'all sleep on me. Y'all sleep on my alerts too much, man. I'm gonna start charging. That's money in y'all pockets y'all missing. All right, let me start charging. Then y'all gonna complain about it. Let me start charging. Then y'all gonna complain. Come on, Candle. Come on. I told them on Meta to not take their eyes off on it. Even with NVIDIA. I said, watch 228 for that push up to 230. And I have another one at 232. They don't listen. I swear they don't listen, man. It's like it's pointless of putting out alerts sometimes. They don't take the trade. I put out alerts for them. And I don't even watch these trades. But I put out the alerts. I mean, I don't trade them. And I tell y'all the specific price points to watch. And they don't listen. That's up to y'all. That's money-making opportunities that y'all keep missing out on. 3 more minutes. Let's see what this candle gonna do. If this candle can close above that price point, I'm gonna take it. If this candle can do what I needed to do, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm going for my last trade. I'm waiting on it. Waiting on confirmation. I'm waiting. Waiting on confirmation on SPY. There we go, baby. All right, come on. Come on. There you go. Exactly what I need you to do. Come on. Then one more trade and I'm done with you. One more trade. There we go. Keep going. Yep, going for call. I called out a bull flag pattern. I told y'all SPY got a bull flag pattern. I said if y'all put all these candles together, it's a major bull. Guys, can y'all not see the bull flag pattern in y'all face? Like seriously? Can y'all sit back for a minute and analyze this? Can y'all not analyze a bull flag pattern right there? Can y'all not realize that that's right there in y'all face? That the market is telling you what it's doing. A big bull flag. What I was watching was the flag. Where was the lows going to be at? That's why I was marking all these levels off. And right here, I was seeing where the bottoms was going to be. Once the bottom was confirmed, okay, now I'm waiting for the next leg up. So all I was doing was waiting on confirmation. I was trying to figure out where the lows was going to be. I saw the flag setting up. I was just trying to wait. I'm waiting on it. Man, y'all got to pay close attention to details, man. I give y'all the jewels to what y'all need. Y'all can't say I don't. I give y'all everything that y'all need. I can't trade for y'all. Y'all got to trade for yourselves. You got to, man. You got to trade for yourself. You got to. Y'all are your own traders. I can only give y'all, try to give y'all as much tips as I can. But other than that, the floor is yours, man. Y'all got to do this. It's not on me. It's on y'all. We right by it. Could we get a little pullback trap? Let's see if I can buy in low. I mean, I'll buy low. There we go. I need 40. The 44. I'm gonna just jump in. I don't care. I'm gonna just do it. We still pulling. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. We'll see. Come on. What you gonna do? Booyah. Come on. Just making another little flag. Making another flag. Another flag. Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. Come on. There it is. Come on, man. I'm trying to get to 150, man. I'm trying to close out 150, man. Come on, give it to me. Give me 150. Give me 150 so I close this out. Liverpool. Come on. Come on. Ah! Come on. Come on. How many I can add left? 40 something left? Going for another. Let me see. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. I can admit my lows a little off. I can admit that. Come on, bias. Come on, bias. Come on, bias. Come on, bias. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go, baby. Come on. Come on. There we go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's see. Can we go for that next leg up? Can we go for this next leg up? Can we go for the next leg up? It's going to be a little tricky, guys. I know. I'm not going to say it was my area was the best entry, but I mean, not entry, but you know what I mean. Could have had a better. Can we go for that push up towards the 42, 43s? Can we go for it? Can we go for the squeeze up? Can we do it? Can we do it? There we go. Woo! Woo! Put in my stop loss. Boom! Let's go! Let's go! Don't take out my stop loss. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go up. Go up. Go! Move my stop loss up, baby. Go up into the 50s. 50s, baby. Move my stop loss up now to the 50s. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. 50 cents up. Let's go. Let's go. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't take my stop loss out. Keep going. Go into the 60 cents. 60 cents, baby. 60 cents. 60 cents. Give me 60 cents, baby. Give me 60 cents. I'll move it up 5. Let me see. Let me go to 60 first. Don't pull back. Don't pull back yet. Go up. Go up. Go up. Because I want to move it up. I want to move my stop loss up. I want to move my stop loss up. I want to move it up. I want to wait. 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 I'm waiting. 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 Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Hold 55. Don't hit my stop loss. Please don't. Don't hit my stop loss. Please don't hit my stop loss. Please don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't. Oh, don't hit it. Damn, I'm on. Damn. Oh. Where am I at now? 150, baby. 156. Let's go. 156. Woo! Woo! 156 on him. 156 on him. Got it. 156 on him. I hit my stop loss. God, dog. Hit my stop loss. Damn. I could have still been holding it. Damn it, hit my stop loss. I had it. All about being patient, guys. Waiting on the opportunities. Bam. Bull flag pattern. Bam. Let's go. They don't know, baby. They don't know. Bull flag pattern. Boom. They don't know. Tell them. Bam, they don't know. Patience, baby. Patience. Let's go. 150 going into next week. Let's go. Let's go. Ha! What they know about that? I rode that roller coaster. 156. Boom! Let's go. Let's go. What they know about that? What they know about that bull flag pattern, baby? What they know about that? They better stop playing with me. And I'll show y'all my proof on my broker. Man, what they know about that? 156.52 on mine. I'll take a screenshot of it so y'all know I'm not lying. I should have added more. God, I should have added more. Like I said, I was just paying on Fridays. But if I would have had 2 contracts, that would have been a wrap. Let's see. But next week, I'm going in 2 contracts at least. 156. 156.52. So, damn, I should have added another one, though. I should have added 2 contracts at a time. I should have added 2. I'd have been good. I'd have been up 2 contracts. Yep. Next week, guys, I'm going. So 2 contracts minimum. 2 contracts minimum. Start next week. 2 contracts minimum. I was using 1 to build it up. 2 contracts minimum now. 2 contract minimum. Then after that, I'm gonna move it up 3 contracts, 4 contracts, and watch me go beast mode on it. Yes. If I would have added another one, now, yeah, I'd have been up like. Aussie. How many red candles, Queen? How many red candles down? How many red candles down, Queen? Aussie, how many red candles down, Queen? And I still think they're going to go up to 44. Guys, how many red candles down? How many? How many red candles down? We always talking about this. Oh, my damn blanket. My fault. Man, let's go. Man, let's go. Man, let's go. I told you it wasn't over yet. I told y'all it wasn't over yet. I told y'all. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me. I told him. That was crazy. Oh, 3. I'm sorry. It just popped up. I'm sorry. I don't know why my damn thing keep the. I guess once it get oversaturated with too many, I gotta do it. Yeah, delayed. I'm sorry. Yep, 3 candles, Queen. What I told you. What I told you. I was waiting for that 3rd candle to finish off after the first 2. I said I was gonna watch this 3rd candle. How it's gonna finish. Jay, why did you mark off 470, 742.28? Why? I took this high. These highs here, I marked it off. I marked off these 2 highs right here. I marked off that high and I marked off that high. So I watched this one. I knew it was gonna get a dip back down towards that 741.98. Remember, that was the range, top of the range. So I knew buyers, possibly buyers, were gonna get in right here, or start to get in. Then you got on top of these old highs. Then I was waiting for that secondary high right here. This is why I got in at right here. After that counter form, we got that successful close. I waited for the pullback, got in, bam, baby, woo, woo. That was sexy. Get him. Get him. Tell her. How long did I talk about the rotation? The channel rotation. When did I talk about the channel rotation? Did I not? Did I not tell everybody when I caught on when we was down here? I said, oh, I think I see what they doing. I said, I think they setting up for a channel rotation. And did I not draw this out? Y'all was my witness. Did I not draw this out? Once we figured out the channel, I said they rotated at these bottoms. I said next thing they're going to do, 9 times out of 10, is rotate to the tops. Didn't I not say that? Man, they don't. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, they don't hear me. Not in. 232. Look for 232 next. Don't go too high. 232 next. From 230 to 232. $2 up. I mean, Meta, I've been told y'all on Meta. I said, watch that 615. And I got all my lines marked off. You can see that. 615 held. They wind up going for that push to where? 620. I gave y'all the heads up on that. That was a $5 push. Y'all don't want to make money. I gave y'all heads up on NVIDIA. I said, remember, I told you first and foremost, what was the range? I said we was in a range right here. Right here. I said 228 was your pivot. I said above that price point, look for 230 up to 232. Below that price point, look down towards 226. Man, look at all these. I'm not giving y'all no more patterns for free, man. I'm tired of giving out patterns, and y'all don't listen. I'm gonna start charging. I'm gonna start charging. Because I throw out stuff and y'all don't listen. I mean, I got everything in you guys' faces and y'all don't, like, some of y'all don't listen. I got NVIDIA right here set up in y'all face. I got Meta right here set up in y'all face. I got SPY set up in y'all face. I told y'all already about the range rotation. I told y'all, even before all of this happened, I said, watch for the range rotation. They rotated at these bottoms. 9 times out of 10, they're gonna work their way right back in this range, break out of this range, and rotate to the upside. I said, think of a gap fill from here to here. And are they not filling the gap? God damn, man. Golf, give me, man. It's like, are they not filling the gap up? And I warned everybody on a gap fill from the breakout of this channel to fill this gap up from here to here. Then they not fill it up. Come on, man. No, I got in. I didn't get in on the channel rotation. I got in on the pullback bounces. So once we got this move here, I got in on pullback bounces. So I got in on after the red candles. I jumped in and played back to the upside. Same thing I did. I think I did it on here too. When we bounced back up, I forgot why I got in on that one. I took a put. Where did I take the put at? I took the put back down this way. I took the put back down that way. Then I got in on 2 calls back up that way. So all I did was just play. All I did was navigate through the rotation. I told everybody, man. Now I'll run back my live before I even leave. I'll run back my live to show. I showed everybody to show that how much you got, how much people pay attention to me. That I brought up every area before it happened. That's crazy, man. Let me hold up, guys. Let me see my. Why's my live stream updating? Is it updating? Oh, it is updating. Alright, let me go back on my live stream where I first talked about the range. Let me see if I go back. Where I drew it out at. Where was it at where I drew it? Before that even happened. When I brought that to everybody's attention. Everybody's attention. Where was it located when I drew all of that out to warn everybody the possibility? Where is it at? 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 Why is my stream, why is my live not starting all the way over to the beginning? Hold on, why is my, let me turn off my, I might have to turn off my, whatchamacallit first. Cause I'm trying to figure out why is it not showing, let me go back all the way on my live. Hold on, let me see something. Let me refresh my page real quick, cause my live stream is still playing. Let me refresh. When we first started, it's not letting me go all the way back on my live though. When we first started talking about the range, when I drew it out, no, it's not even letting me do it. It's not letting me go back on my live stream. Can't believe I don't have it on here. I don't have, I can't find it. It's not letting me do 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 it. I can't go back on my live right now. It's not letting me go all the way back. Yeah, it's not letting me go all the way back. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. But I told y'all. That rotation, baby. Rotation. I told y'all. Let me take all this off now. I don't need it. Let me see. I'm going to take all these eyes off. Now that I'm through with it, I don't need it no more. Alright. I don't need none of this no more. No more. Alright. Take all them lines off. Keep all the previous areas back on. Alright. So it can look like more of a cleaner chart. Look at that, boy. I told y'all the range. Bottoms, mids, tops. I told y'all. I told y'all. All they did was play the whole entire range from bottoms and navigated their way all the way to the top. I called out, I told you, I called out NVIDIA. I told you NVIDIA setup, guys. I called out, like I said, Meta setup. Google. I think I called out Google too. Let me see. Meta. I mean Google. Yep. Called out Google. Called out Google area. That's what went off. My alerts went off on Google. Because we hit those areas. I called out 398. 398 hit. I told y'all, man, guys, pay attention, man. Like, that's why, like I said, we're gonna definitely be doing some hard boot camp lessons. Y'all want to do that, ladies and gentlemen? Y'all want to do some boot camp lessons, like, you know, to kind of help you guys out and to see things, or to kind of get on track to where I'm at, to seeing setups and jumping in, or, you know, like, I mean, I told you guys, your ELE, environment, levels, entries, and exits. I told you. You always got to identify yourself with your levels, your environment. And my bad for getting hyped, man. I was just crunk, man, because I told y'all, man. All right. Cool. City boy, cool. What y'all want to go over, boss? Like, I mean, of course, the entries, exits. What else we need to go over? Patterns, of course. What else? What else do you think we need to go over? Yeah, so Nadia, what else? What else, y'all? What else do you think we need? So entries, exits, patterns. Like, what else? I might do one for economics too, so you guys will be aware, like which ones to pay close attention to, like CPI, PPI, ISMs, PCEs, durable goods, GDPs, jobless claims, non-farm payroll datas. That's like your main ones. That's really like your main ones. And of course, FOMC. So let's see. So this is, remember guys, I always go over this every single time. Remember, where's it at? ELE. Where is ELE? For those who don't know. ELE, bring it back, bring it up. ELE. Environment, levels, entries, and exit. What is your environment? Your environment. Where is it at? Let me go to the environment. Environment. Market structure, the context of the market. That means that the market goes through 4 states. You have to identify it. It's a trending state, or whether it's up or down, ranging state, breakout state, reversal state. Once you figure those areas out, what is your L? L, levels. Levels is the determined price point of support and resistance levels in the market. And then, of course, you know what your entries and exits is. So once I identify my environment, which is what? An uptrend. Because what did I put? An uptrend. I identified myself with the levels. I understood the range that we were in, but also understood the build up too. Understood the higher lows, and I understood the rotations. That's another thing, because I know that's another thing y'all probably want to learn how to do too. Rotate, how to understand the rotation, to understand how high something can go, how low something can go. So I'm pretty sure y'all want to go over that too, the rotation game. How I be figuring it out doing those rotations. It's not hard at all. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. All right, guys. I'm gonna soon be heading on out. I do have to head out. Let me see. Anything else we need to go over before I do head out? Like I said, I will post the earnings and the economics for next week. I'm gonna post that out. That's gonna be in Discord and the website. I think that should be it for right now. At this moment. Square box you draw. Okay, yeah. Wait, which ones? Oh, yeah, you talking about the rotation box. Okay. I got you. The rotation box. I got you. Yeah, I got you on that, Nadia. I'll help you with that. That's no problem at all. It's not hard to do that. It's not. Because once you identify yourself with a range, all you do is figure out which way it rotated first. Like, we rotated down first. So all I did was, once I identified the range, all I did was just take the measure move from here. And watch, I'm gonna show you. See, watch. Let me show you how easy it is. All I did was look at those bottoms, underneath the range. I drug it down to where these lows was at, right? Then I made a duplicate copy, and just to see the measurement move on how far I can go towards the upside. See? That's pretty much all I did. See? The measurement between here and here, and then the measurement between here and here. See? Easy. Easy work. It's not hard at all. Put them back on down. Uh-oh. Put them back down to what? That box. Right back down to the range. Because you already got your rotation up. Now it's rotating right back down. Let's see if we're going to hold for the possible move back up, or we're going to rotate right back through it. Because all you're doing is just rotating, in this box. Now you're getting a strong pull. So it looks like we may be setting up now for a bear flag pattern. So it looks like we, again, as long as you stay underneath that 742 shorts, you want to go for the next leg down. You want to create somewhat of an inverted cup now. You want to go from an uptrend now to a downtrend. There go your play. There you go. And then, okay, Nadia, why did you pull back? Because you completed the rotation. You rotated here, complete. You rotated up here, complete. Now, it's not always going to be perfect. It's not always going to be perfect. It's not going to be perfect. I mean, let me show you. Let me redo another one real quick. Hold on. All right, down to here. Let me see. And right on top of this box. Yep. Right around those tops. Ran up. Got rejected back down. So that's about right. So all you did was rotate from the bottoms. Right. Rotate to the tops. Right back down. Pretty much what you did. So all I did was play the rotation. I played the rotation up and so forth. Now, like I said, shorts, look like we're getting setting up for a possible bear flag coming up. Make sure you stay underneath 742. From 742, now you want to come back on down towards the old previous 52-week high, 740.92, and work your way back down towards these bottoms. That's going to give you a what? Inverted cup. So, keep that in mind. Are you going to post it on your channel? Post what on the channel, boss? You talking about with the boot camp? Yeah, I can. Yeah. Yeah, I'll post the boot camp on the channel. Yeah, I'll post it on there. So it look like we're setting up for a bear flag now instead of a bull flag. So now we may be falling, now reversing, going from tops now back down to bottoms. Going from majority of buyers to now possibly sellers. Yeah, I got you, City. Yeah, I'm gonna post it on the channel. So just keep on watch, guys, as I leave for the next setup. If, as long as this area stays resistance, you want to fall right back underneath the 742s. Almost head and shoulderish as well too. Head and shoulderish. So 742, back on down toward these lows, back this way. 740s, from 740s, back down to the 739s, but we know our true areas. Remember, the goal is how we want to close out today. Remember, we want to take out these areas. This is last week's close and last week's high. So you want to fall back underneath that 3808, and you want to fall back underneath that 3762. Because you want to fall back underneath your last week's highs and open. So we want to go for a nice pullback this way. Take this flow out, then right back down to these areas. Take that out, because that means that we should be closing. We should be having a red candle for Friday. That'll be our first red candle out of this week. Because remember, Monday through Thursday we had green candles, and Friday should be, if we do get that pullback, should be your red candle. First red candle out of this week. Let me go to my spot thing real quick too. For where's my little chart? Hold up. Chart. Where's my chart? Did I update it? Yeah, I did update it. So this is the setup for this week. See, this is why I color coded. So you can tell, you can understand on how your weeks closed out, your lows, your highs, your opens, your volumes. So right now, this week already had 4 green days. I'm sorry, and today may be our first red day. So if we get that pullback underneath 42 on down. But Jay, what about we go up? Look for that break above 744 to 746. Just keep it on watch. Just keep it on watch to see where we go. We still in this channel, big channel here. Still got that mid area, still got your tops, and you still got your bottoms because we haven't broke out, nor haven't we cracked. So be mindful of that. So yeah, guys, I'm about to be heading on out because I do have to go tend to some stuff. So let me give love to everybody before I do roll out. So as usual, you already know, always a W to the team, as usual. Shout out to my mods. You guys are always doing an incredible job. Thank y'all for everything that you guys do. Appreciate you for everything. Also, what else? Oops. Also, who else do we have? And Nadia, of course. And Creamer for the super thanks this week. Thank you so much for the donut. Thank you so much, Creamer. Thank y'all. And once again, guys, if I have earned your support and your respect, and you all learn a lot from my channel, man, please do your boy a favor. Go to my YouTube channel under JTraedz, smash that sub button. If you already sub, you already know what to do, guys. Please do me a favor, run up the likes. It's free 99. If you're on Twitch, follow or subscribe to avoid the ads. So you already know what to do. So let me get everything else ready, Queen, before I do head on out. Where's my little weekend thing? Where's my little weekend guy? Come on, weekend guy, let's go. Come on up. But nah, guys, I had a blast this week. I am going to be going in a little bit more harder next week. Going in, like I said, I want to make the minimum at least 2 contracts. We're going to see on how the market is going to set itself up, especially coming from this 750 area, how we're going to be panning out going into next week. I will be posting the earnings. I will be posting the economics and so forth, doing as much research as I can. And ladies, I will be posting the blue chips weekly recaps. I will be doing that. And what else? I think that should be it. Weekly recaps. Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, guys, about to be heading on out. Had a blast. Again, thank you so much for your love and support. Again, because it's no JTraedz, it wouldn't be me, wouldn't be for you guys. So thank y'all for everything, for helping me get to where I'm at now as far as in my streaming career. Shout out to, again, special thanks to YouTube and Twitch for being a gracious host to me, for giving me the platform to do this. So thank them too. And we're going to keep it rocking and rolling, guys. So any questions, comments, concerns, y'all know how to reach out to me, and y'all already know what to do. Y'all enjoy y'all week. I will try to do a video this week, Sunday, for the as we prep ourselves up going into next week. So I'm going to try to do a market briefing Sunday. But other than that, guys, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. Thank y'all for everything. You already know what I'm about to say before I head on out. Maximize your reward. Minimize your risk. Always put great over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Get as much rest as y'all can so we can get ready to rock and roll for what? Money Monday. Love y'all. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.